Obliged. Right.
Yeah, please, my lord, item number 13.
Ah.
We adjourn for the week, my lord.
Why, sir? 13.
13.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr.
Ajat.
A.
J. Atia. A. J. Atia.
Atia, Land Council Board of release this matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, one
Hmm?
important matter. The termination matter, my lord.
Huh?
Only 1 week, my lord. Any
2
date
weeks.
after 1 week.
2 weeks. We have
10
fixed-
days, my lord.
No, we have picked so many methods. 2 weeks.
10 days, my lord.
2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship? With the consent of other side, I beg to mention for item number 24, Lordship.
24.
Yes, Lordship.
2017 method. This is a part hard method.
Yes, Lordship, but the conducting council, Mr. Aisnath, is out of station.
Huh?
Conducting council, Mr. Aisnath, is out of station owing to his some personal accidents.
It's not
Aisnath, Hirannon.
4.
26.
Item 24.
26.
Okay, 26. This is also 2016.
Yes,
After
Lordship.
2 weeks, give the date. On the prayer, Mr.
N.I. Khan, Lordship.
N.I.
Khan.
Khan, Land Council appearing on behalf of H-Nath, Land Council for the appellant. 27 appellant hoga, 27 B. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Kindly, yes. Masuk.
May I please, Lordship, with the consent of the other side, Lordship, beg to mention item number 17.
Yes. Yes, what do you want?
Lordship, the matter may be fixed next week.
On the prayer of Mr.
And Ali on behalf of J. Babu.
N. Ali, Learned Council appearing on by J.I. Burbu, Learned Council for the list this matter after 3 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 33. Possible for a day with
Ah.
the consent of other side.
Why?
Obviously. Some personal difficulty of
Who? Yourself.
You know,
Yourself.
RL City, Your Lordship.
On the ground that Mr. R.L. Chutia, London leading counsel, London counsel for the
33.
petitioner has some personal difficulty. Come on. Mr. Your name, please.
RL City.
You are R.L. Chutia,
On behalf of A Khoni, Your Lordship.
A Konikar. Just right. List after 3 weeks.
Obviously.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention, my lord, item number supplementary, item number 39, my lord. With the consent of the other side, my lord, the matter may be fixed, my lord, after 2 weeks, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr.
BK Das.
B.K. Das, London counsel for the petitioner list this matter after 2 weeks.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship,
Yes.
with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 18, Lordship. Lordship, we are yet to receive our instructions. 2 weeks' time may be granted.
On the prayer of Mr.
A Goswami, Lordship.
A. Goswami,
Only
London
for
counsel,
us.
Standing Council Forest Department. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks so as to enable him to file affidavit of his.
Lordship, another prayer, Lordship, for item number 30, Lordship. Lordship, the conducting council, D. Gogoi, Lordship, he's on legs. He won't be able to attend the matter.
Okay, adjourn on the prayer of so. Item 30.
30, Lordship.
No objection. You are Mr.
A Goswami on behalf of D. Gogoi.
P.
D. Gogoi.
D. Gogoi.
D. Gogoi, Lordship.
For
For the petitioner, Lordship.
D. Gogoi's name is not there in item 30.
Lordship, he usually attends these matters, the R. Mazumdar sir's matters.
Okay, D. Gogoi.
Let's follow for respondents.
Respond number CGC. Four respondents is present.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10. You have already circulated the adjournment request.
Item 10.
Lordship may fix it on September.
Hmm.
Any date in September, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr.
A. Hazarika on behalf of K. N. Chaudhary.
A. Hazarika Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel for the petitioner. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Highly object, sir.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 35, PR for adjournment today, Lordship.
35, yes. MS?
R. Bora on behalf of K. Kaur.
Correspondent.
Respondent
Huh.
1, 2, 1, 3, and 4. Lordship.
Non-council correspondent 1, 3, and 4. List after 3 weeks.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19, 20, and 21, Lordship. To kindly adjourn the matter for the day.
Why? 19, 20, 21.
Youngest advocate is out of station, Lordship.
You are Mr.
J.I. Mundal.
J.I. Mandal, Land Council petitioners. Only prayer, Mr. J.I. Mandal, Land Council for the petitioner. That this matter will be listed after 3 weeks.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8.
Hmm.
Lordship, P. Bhattacharya has some personal difficulty. Can you fix the matter after 2 weeks?
Item 8.
Yes, lordship.
On the ground that MSP Bhattacharya, Land Council for the petitioner has some personal difficulty. MS so Land Council appearing on her behalf, praise for listing of matter, praise list after 3 weeks.
Obliged, lordship. May I please your lordship? I beg to mention item number 34, lordship. May be fixed in another day, lordship.
34. Yes. MS?
D. Devi, lordship.
D. Devi, Land Council for petitioner praise for listing of the matter after 3 weeks, praise list after 3 weeks.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, with regards to item number 28, lordship, we had circulated an adjournment request.
Mr.
T. Kashyap, your lordship.
Speaker, Land Council appearing on behalf of
Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, your lordship.
Kencho the Land Senior Constituents, huh? List the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, on Monday, your lordship, as this, what had happened, your lordship, if I may, on 6/8, this matter was fixed for.
After a week, after a week.
No.
After a week.
Lordship, much of.
Mention what like. No, the date may be fixed in this matter, my lord. Item. Date of the.
28,
My lord.
next week.
No,
After
Monday,
the week.
lordship.
2018 matter, my lord.
Monday, go, lord.
Yes.
Monday, your lordship.
Okay. Monday.
17th.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Much of.
Give the date. Tuesday, with
May I please your lordship?
16, 17, 18. Yes.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15.
Hmm.
Lordship, with the consent of the other side, John slip has already been circulated.
15,
Yeah.
1-5.
Yes, lordship.
Your MS.
S. Bora on behalf of Mr. K. N. Chaudhary.
Land Council, appearing on Land Council, Senior Council for the president. List the matter will list after 3 weeks.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 31. John slip has been circulated.
31. No. Same order.
Lordship, if Lordship fixes a date for item number 31, an early date, Lordship.
2 weeks. After
Lordship,
2 weeks.
Lordship may possible for the day.
Hmm?
It's a pension matter, Lordship. If Lordship may possible
After
for
a
the
week.
day.
After a week.
Lordship. Obliged. Yes, please, Lordship. Lordship here. The father of the petitioner was appointed as Gauhati.
Ready? This for mediation.
Yes, Lordship.
Ready?
Yeah, ready, but other.
Had Miss MS,
Armidhi.
Landed Council for the petitioner, and also had Mr. D. Gogoi,
RR Gogol.
RR Gogoi, Land
All the
Council for the respondents. Parties are ready to ready for referral the matter to the for mediation. Accordingly, better be referred to mediation. Mr. Appoint one. Mr. So and so. Given. Megal M. Burman, Learned Council. MS M. is appointed as mediator. List the matter on when. 23 parties to furnish relevant papers to the learned mediator. M. Burman, Megali Burman. matter be listed thereafter.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship.
Yes,
This matter pertains to non-payment of minimum pay scale
Ready.
to the petitioner.
ready for mediation? Ready?
Yes, lordship.
Same order. Will be appointed
Affidavit file করে দাও।
Sri Upol Megali.
Within other.
M. Burma, same order. 23. You furnish the papers. M.
And
Burman, Megali Burman, MS Megali Burman. 23 September.
Obliged.
Item 3.
Ready?
But let us,
Mediation.
let us explore it.
Yes. Heard so and so, so and so, so and so. Same order. 23.
23rd.
23rd of September.
My lord,
Same, Megali.
before whom?
M. Burman,
M.
Megali Burman. You furnish the papers.
My.
23rd.
Item 4.
May it please lordships.
Yes.
My lord, here we have come against an order of penalty, my lord,
Hmm.
which is, let me take your lordship to the order of penalty, my lord, this so cryptic first, then page 77. Page 77, a very cryptic order, my lord, without giving detailed reason.
Affidavit has been filed.
My lord,
Affidavit
they
has been.
have not yet filed. The last occasion, they took a copy from me, my lord.
Actually, our record has been misplaced somewhere, lordship. That's why, lordship. May I pray for some time, lordship, in this instructions awaited, lordship.
Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, learned senior.
P.K. Roy, my lord.
P.K. Roy.
My lord, can it be because my difficulty is this, my lord, because of this penalty, my lord, the petitioner was, my lord, selected for promotion to the IPS for 6 consecutive times.
Hmm.
And he has not been given the promotion because of this minor penalty. Anyway, my lord.
What is the penalty? Penalty is.
Penalty is stoppage of increment,
Acha.
but this has an effect of,
Okay,
yeah. my
heard
lord.
Mr. P.K. Roy, learned senior counsel assisted by MS.
A Chakravarti.
A. Chakravarti, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para.
Can
Mr.
it be a
MS.
shorter?
MS.
Didi Varman.
Didi Burman, learned state counsel. Submitted the brief is somehow misplaced. Therefore, phrase for some time to trace out and trace out the brief system as agreed by the parties. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Can it be a date be fixed?
2 weeks on 2 weeks after 2 weeks. 9.
9. Okay. Lordship.
5.
May kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
Why?
Lordship.
Lordship, Mr. D. Upamanyu is in legs and another foot, lordship.
What's the issue here?
Your lordship, I have been terminated from service without any prior show cause notice.
But your
Allegation was that I remain absent. That is not the fact. It has been stated that the room where I worked, that was put under lock and key. I immediately informed the authority, but that was not reported. Subsequently, they issued the impugned termination letter.
where it is termination?
Yes, your annex of
You are being absent
page
from your
42.
duty rights and
Page
till
42.
today.
but
Without
They-
information as per record, moreover, you had created an unlawful activity, noisy situation against hospital duty workers. On 8/8, you are hit by terminating.
termination, you have created an unlawful activity and noisy.
So
against
what is their
hospital.
stand?
So you are terminated.
What is their stand?
Their
is the
stand
stand
is
of
that, their stand is that that I have created some unlawful activities, your lordship, and noisy situation.
And lordship,
The
since
fact-
she is a contractual employment.
Let me
employed-
finish, let me finish.
Yes.
So here, your lordship, one employee of the establishment, Nusad Ali, he want to remove me by
Heard Mr.
Armujumdar, your lordship.
Majumdar learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. Deopuner learned standing on the Health and Family Welfare Department. Admit list for hearing after 3 weeks.
Reading completed. Date may be fixed, your lordship.
After 3 weeks. We'll
Date,
take
any date, your lordship. Any date.
somewhere after 15, September 15. 17.
month,
Obliged.
September.
I think 6.
17.
Very pleased, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, petitioner is was working as a assistant engineer under the respondent. Lordship, after resignation in 2022, he's all
Yes, they're supposed to obtain list.
quittal.
I have received instruction, but they have sent it in the form of affidavit, lordship.
What if, you see, six, eight, we have passed in order to place the,
Yes, this is the instruction, lordship. This is the instruction, lordship. They have sent it to lordship by an affidavit, lordship. The edition.
see, two things. You said that the under consideration were approved by competent authority.
Yes.
On that, what you have said, where you have said. Number two, whether his resignation was accepted or not.
That is there, lordship. In this.
Where it is,
Yes.
which para? Your affidavit says that their case is under consideration. Now you are saying you have, you made a somersault. That he's not entitled.
Actually, Lordship, in this case, Lordship, as Burwa is appearing in earlier occasion, Lordship, now she is on lex in court number 4, Lordship. So, Lordship.
You are not
I-
authorized to
okay,
appear.
Right, I am authorized, Lordship,
Then,
but Lordship, at any other.
see, last,
Yes.
in your affidavit, you said his case is under consideration for release
Yes, Lordship.
of the whatever entitled he is.
Yes.
Now you are saying that he's not entitled because he has not completed the requisite minimum qualifying years and he has resigned. And you have made some allegation against him also,
Yes, sir.
for which you have also issued some. What is this? How can you have this kind of thing?
Then,
You have already filed an affidavit.
yes.
Doesn't indicate whether this has been considered or not. Simply you made a kind of complete somersault. You bring on record.
Yes, Lordship. That
Then
affidavit.
you reply to this.
Yes.
I don't know why. The respond number 8. Who has filed that earlier affidavit? Who has filed the affidavit earlier?
Nazira Mirza put a
Okay, no, this is also by respond number 8. Heard Mr.
P. Bora, Lordship.
P.
P. Bora.
P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. Having perused the affidavit filed on behalf of the respondent number 8, wherein it is categorically stated that the proposal for release of amounts claimed by the petitioners towards gratuity, GPF, leave encashment, and other admissible dues are under consideration for approval by the competent authority. This court has directed the respondent 8, the land consular respondent 8 to place instruction as to whether approval has been accorded for release of the petitioner's claim amount, and as to whether the petitioner's resignation dated 13/01/2022 has been accepted by the competent authority on 06/08/2026. Mr. Hauber, MS
Didi Burman.
Didi Burman, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the state, respond number 8, by placing whereas comment submits that the petitioner is not entitled for any benefits as he did not complete the requisite qualification for such for such payment. And please, the since there was no elected, there was since there was no elected body admits of the municipal at the relevant point of time, same could not be considered as the resignation of the petitioner could not be considered. However, the resignation of the petition would be considered and take a decision by the newly constituted board. Next para. Perusal of, no, consideration of the above submissions, comma. It is this court, perusal of the some consideration of the which perusal of the submissions and the no, consideration of above submissions and the stand taken in the affidavit while earlier appears to be completely different, which would not be permitted for the respondent to to take such a different stand on different occasions, comma. In view above, let the respondent number 8 to file the instruction placed by the petitioner affidavit to make their stand clear. List of accordingly, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. You file, you bring on record.
Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Right, please, your lordship. My lord, as per last order 16/6/2026, the government is supposed to inform the progress of these petitioners, my dear lordship.
Yes,
Kindly peruse that order, lordship.
Lordship, this matter will pass over for the time being, lordship. Mr. D. Bora is lordship. He is supposed to obtain instruction, lordship.
Yeah, I will be able to time, no. Yeah, I will be time to come up with.
Deborah.
Yes, lordship. Then, lordship. Pass over for the day or no problem.
Lordship,
He has.
any date, lordship, let them give it time, lordship, because they have not produced any progress, lordship, at the end. After giving so many days time, lordship.
Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Home and Political, who is appearing? For that?
I am appearing, lordship. We are also. But on the last occasion, lordship, D. Bora.
I don't mind.
He is appearing and to obtain instruction, lordship, but today he is not available, lordship.
So we'll call the Commissioner and Secretary.
No, lordship.
If the
Pass-
learned
on-
counsel are not capable to obtain instruction.
No, lordship, no, record is also not, I think, lordship, he has received instruction or not, but I have no information, lordship, but he is
But
national.
better is taken up now,
Or lordship, then pass over for a time being. I will call him, lordship. D. Bora.
or else we will invite the Commissioner and Secretary. Home and Political,
Lordship, D. Bora.
after some time. After some time.
Take two, lordship, or
Or
sometime.
After some time.
Item 9.
Hey, please do lordship.
Yes.
I may allow to file affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent side.
Reply, madam. Rejoin.
Reply.
Reply. Wherefore respond petitioner.
Petitioner on behalf of
Okay,
NH
MS.
Oh.
Your name, please.
H. Yasmin.
H. Yasmin, learned counsel appearing on behalf of, your name is there.
Lashkar.
Huh?
Appearing on behalf of NS Lashkar.
NS Leskar, learned counsel for the petition, faithful is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. Mr. A.K. Datta, learned CGC is present. Okay,
Prepare for all the response.
Yes.
I have filed our affidavit.
that's why she wants to file.
Apply.
11.
I have the solution.
Item 11.
Can the matter be passed over for a time being motion? It's regarding the constable, selections of the constable.
Hmm.
There is
Who is for the respondent? Affidavit has been filed.
Yes, lordship.
Who is for the respondent? On the prayer of
P. Lamu.
P. Lamu, learned counsel appearing on Mr. B. Kaushik, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Kindly mention S. Hajirika, lordship. On behalf of S. Hajirika, lordship.
S. Hazrika,
Yes, lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. P. Lamu,
Yes,
learned
lordship.
counsel for the learned counsel appearing on P. Hazrika, learned counsel for the this
Here is the
matter
injunction.
listed after 2 weeks. Interim order passed. Earlier shall continue. None appears for the respondents.
Deeply blessed.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, matter is already disposed of by order dated 10/2/2026, lordship. And on last,
Already disposed of.
yes, lordship.
Then
Then it
why
is,
it's pending?
yes, lordship, for filing
Mr.
affidavit-
So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner
Lordship.
submits that matter has already been disposed of.
Lordship, kindly
Accordingly,
take the last
this
order,
petition
lordship.
stand closed. What you are saying?
Kindly press the last order,
If
lordship.
it is already disposed of, why?
But there was a direction to file affidavit by the respondent, lordship, regarding complaints, lordship. Kindly press the.
Why you are saying that this has been disposed of?
Yes, lordship, already disposed of, lordship, 10/2/2026, lordship.
Disposed of
Yes, lordship.
already.
Yes. But it is pending.
Where is that order? Disposal order.
2026, lordship.
10?
2/2026, lordship. And lordship,
10/2/20.
paragraph 12, lordship, of the state order, lordship.
Okay. This is. Yes, what is this?
Lordship, here
Paragraph 12, lordship.
there are two wives. So they were applying for family pension, Lordship. Now what is happening is one of the wife is getting the pension. The second wife is not getting the pension. So
Hmm.
on the when Lordship was disposing of the order, Lordship had given a direction that make the necessary changes. Both wives should be entitled. So make the necessary changes and file the affidavit. While disposing of, in the order it was dictated that respondents will file the affidavit, and if the affidavit is not filed, the case will be returned back in the meantime. So the respondents failed to file the affidavit, because of which the matter was again brought back into the court's record. And on the last date, when the matter, Lordship had directed to find out what is happening in the matter, since here, Lordship, I have received the instruction from the Drupal Treasury. Here, one of the wives, the eldest surviving widow, is still getting the pension. Now the question comes whether the second wife is not getting the pension. As per my instruction,
So far in my instruction, lordship,
You are
Thing
for
has been
second,
released,
the
lordship.
petitioner is second wife or first wife?
first wife, lordship, but so far my instruction, it is not released, lordship.
Huh?
Pension is not released, lordship.
No. Lordship, as I have been just instructed by the Treasury officer, I can reconfirm it. They are saying the PPO in whose name originally the name was, she is receiving the pension even now. So perhaps she is not sharing the pension with the second wife at the moment.
In this case, the respondent number 8 was nominated.
Yes.
The original pension and all. And petitioner name was not nominated. And we cannot issue PPO in the name of 2 person. Only 1 person will be nominated. That's the difference.
But there was direction, lordship, to sharing the pension, lordship, between the two,
That has to be
50%.
internal arrangement between the 1 and 8.
But till disposal, lordship, nothing was
That
released,
eight
lordship.
comes lot.
Who has assurance? Petitioner who has given assurance before this court by a beneficial on receipt of the pension into her account. In favor of respondent within a period of 10 days from this the pension being entered into the self-continuing. Computation of the area of the receipt of the pension.
Direction was given to the first wife to share the pension. We have done our part. Now-
Matter may be adjourned for the day, lordship. I will take instruction, lordship.
The age of completion realization, in case the affidavits of respondent number 3, 5, and 6 are filed one or before, no further. What is this? Are you sharing with them, with him, with her?
So for my instruction, Lordship, she is not receiving the, it is not released, Lordship.
To be second wife, no?
First wife.
PPO is everything issued in the name of respondent and only because students will be. Like that this.
And he's the other wife. He's appearing for the other
Okay,
wife.
I am for the first wife, Lordship.
But
PPO has been released,
because her name was nominated by the.
respondent number 8.
But there was a direction, Lordship, to issue it in favor of the petitioner, Lordship.
And we cannot issue PPO in the name of 2%.
But Lordship, I issued before the court, Lordship, I also filed
Yeah,
affidavit that 50% amount I will share,
It can
Lordship.
be settled out.
See, on receipt of request for revised nomination, the respondent number 5, you are respondent number 5. Shall immediately,
No, not you.
who is for respondent number 5?
AG.
Your direction has been given to
Yes, now Lordship, now
I'm
I,
the commander.
Lordship, here I may, so my learned friend is representing the first wife. So as per law, first wife is entitled. So maybe perhaps Lordship had directed that the PPO may be put in her name, that the necessary correction be done and put in her name, and she will give 50% of
Yes,
the amount to the second wife. That was the,
It can be done without hearing the age.
that is the direction which Lordship had passed. And that verification has to be done by the administrator, who is the first wife or the second wife. No, you have to decide here. Here it has
If
been
the
clearly
PPO
stated.
is issued in favor of the second wife, Lordship, it is in violation of the order, Lordship. It is in
No,
contradiction.
no,
to
that
the
has
order.
already been issued.
Because,
Lordship. It was
because
already existing.
till disposal of the writ petition, Lordship, there is no.
The problem is that after disposal, it has to be revived if no affidavit is filed. What is the meaning of this order again?
That
It
because
become redundant, right?
Lordship, till disposal, Lordship, not,
I'm not
action was-
blaming anyone. But you have given a direction. We have given you a direction. But you are supposed to file an affidavit. In case in the event affidavit is not filed, this should be revived.
yes, and
What does it mean? Then this order become redundant.
yes, that it has now the matter has come again. for
Either you dispose of it or you keep it pending, you decide the matter. Already you have decided, but then at the same time you want.
Yeah, otherwise, Lordship had directed to make the administrative department and the AG and all the officers to make the necessary changes.
Yes,
to paper.
direction is there. The matter ends there. If direction is there,
Yes.
so why the affidavit is required?
So
And
Lordship,
if it is not, it said
yes,
no further action would be required. However, if the affidavit not filed as directed, registry would list this matter again with an office note.
that is why.
Writ petition is disposed of. Should not have been disposed of in that case.
Lordship, if we can.
Who is
also-
for the respondent number 8?
Respondent number 8.
Second wife, Lordship.
Yes, second wife. Nobody. Naam nakhai.
Send it to for mediation.
It may go to respondent.
Notice has not been issued.
Sure about law.
Yes, Lordship, notice was issued and she also filed affidavit, Lordship. Lordship, matter may be adjourned for the day, Lordship.
Why?
After 1 week, Lordship. I will take instruction, Lordship.
Why this 3, 4, and 5 is not filing an affidavit?
No, Lordship, I am appearing for
3,
respondent.
5, and 6.
Yes,
You are 6.
I am for the treasury officer. No, 6.
You are supposed to file the affidavit.
For 6, Lordship, I am appearing in the writ petition. For 6, I am appearing. Lordship, I have already stated.
Who is for 3?
3 will be.
And for 5.
Apni-
3, 5, and 6 were supposed to file the
Yes,
affidavit.
Lordship, I am appearing for 6. I have already stated that the PPO is in the name of the second wife. So the necessary changes have to come from once the AG through the parent department, if we receive and the necessary changes can be made, then we can.
Now,
ask
why
for-
you have not filed affidavit in that regard?
Oh, Lordship, I'll file the effort, but that won't resolve the issue, Lordship. I'll
Anyway.
file my affidavit.
It's
Lying with the pensioner.
no, see,
And one half is lying with the treasury.
No, it's in the bank, Lordship.
see, obviously, it has been released to the respondent number in favor of
Prior
respondent.
to the filing of the report.
Yes.
She was getting.
She was getting.
He was nominated.
Yes.
He is entitled.
Now for,
Now she is getting or not?
she is getting the,
Perhaps she is getting.
no,
That's why she is not interested.
yes, and Lordship,
Yeah.
now the issue will be if we have to validate the PPO in her name, we need both halves of the PPO. One of the half is with the
That's what number
8, and she is not cooperating.
Actually, we have created more problem appears than the solution.
Yes, Lordship.
Already there is a direction. Either you should comply. If they don't comply, we'll
Yes,
see.
Lordship, for compliance, yes, if the necessary documents come from the channel.
Okay. You think about it.
Yes, Lord. No,
Better to settle
no.
between you and respondent number 8. Better to settle. Why unnecessary litigating? How much you are getting? How much he is getting?
I have no information.
What would be the amount?
Lordship. Oh, yeah,
Approximately.
approximately also, Lordship.
Oh, your husband was working as?
Yes, dresser, Lordship.
Huh?
Dresser.
Must be very bigger amount. Yes, sir, you explore
Lordship, yes,
settlement with the respondent number 8. Must be very bigger amount. Unnecessary you are litigating. Talk to her.
Really, I filed the writ petition seeking direction to release the amount, Lordship, because nothing was released till filing the writ petition, Lordship. Nothing was released till filing the writ petition, Lordship. Thereafter,
It's all right. Don't go for unnecessary litigation. You have been already granted relief, but then problem is that last order. If no affidavit should be revived. Now why this court is suggesting instead of litigating unnecessary, you talk to the respondent number 8, share it equally 50%. All right. You are not getting,
yes,
and she is the nominee. So it is you to at least, this thing, impress upon her. Isn't it?
Then comes at joint.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm saying this. Obviously, 8, her name has been already nominated. And everything she's getting. Obviously, she may not like to share. What would be the amount? Dresser, though, it must be very, very less amount.
it is 20,000 near about, Lordship.
Okay. Considering that sorry.
Yes, Alam.
S.
Alam.
Alam, Learned Counsel for the President, and Mr. H. Ali, Learned Counsel for, Standing Counsel for Finance.
Yes, Lordship, that's point number 6.
As well as Mr. B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel, Learned Counsel for Accountant General. And Mr. Considering the issue in book, which pertains to claim of what? Claim of what? Pensionary benefit.
Yes.
In respect of the by both the wives of their deceased husband, this court requests the Learned Counsel for the parties, a petitioner, to explore the settlement between the petitioner and the respondent number 8. Best of and file affidavit to that extent. Best of next list the matter after 4 weeks.
Yes.
4 weeks you try to settle it. File affidavit, whether you have been succeeded or not. But mind you, you have to make more, I mean, you have to impress upon her. Although you are first wife.
Actually, there is direction to.
Even if
please
second
in my
wife,
favor,
second wife or third wife, if it is permissible, then doesn't make it same standing. Same putting, same status. Right?
I am ready, Lordship, but
Do it. Thank you.
obvious.
Finding 7.
7 again.
Item Malad 1100 hours here, Your Lordship, we're looking for the respondent side lawyer, Malad.
Huh.
Somehow I missed this matter, Malad. My name may be recorded. Item 11.
You're Mr.
MR Adhikari, CGC.
CGC.
Yes. Obliged.
My lord, in this matter, we have communicated, my lord, the instruction is still available. On 19/6, we have communicated, my lord, to the department, my lord.
2023.
My lord, here the thing is that, my lord, this is regarding, my lord, the rule 205 and 206 has to be invoked by the governor, my lord. So, my lord, initially we have sent his pension paper to AG. AG has
Understood. It was
written
sent in, I mean, you are supposed to do it in the you started initiated in 2023. That's the reason we want instruction.
My lord will
So
grant.
if you are not able to get, we'll invite the commissioner and the secretary.
My lord, it is not that we didn't get, my lord. We have already, my lord, written to the department. Sometimes it takes some time, my lord. And my lord will take into one consideration. This is home and political. My lord, last 2 weeks has been very harsh for this DSR management and home and political, this department, because of the flood, my lord. Entire machinery, my lord, is somehow, my lord, is very.
We
to
just,
that.
we just,
So, my lord, grant
we
me,
just need
grant me, my
10
lord.
minutes of his his or her valuable time. 10 minutes.
That is what I'm praying, my lord. My lord will grant me 10 days time. I will ensure, my lord, that I will bring a positive instruction. That is all. I
Okay.
pray. As an officer of the
Where
court, my lord, I am giving.
having a full trust
My lord,
on you.
my lord,
All right.
my lord.
And Mr.
K. Majumdar, Lordship.
K. Majumdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Although this court directed on 16/06/2026, having considered the issue involved in this matter, and also the process having been initiated, the last communication being dated 29/08/2023, directed the Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Home and Political with bracket B, Government of Assam, to apprise this court about the executive status of process of pension process proposal of the petitioner, Mr. Ardhar, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of the Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Home and Political, B, submits that a 10 days time may be granted to obtain instruction as directed by this court, as he is yet to receive the instruction in view of the
I pray for
in
peace.
view of the engagement of the Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Home and Political due to unprecedented. What do you call it is? What problem?
Matters to place before the governor seeking a special order.
No, no.
205.
No, why the commissioner secretary
my
is
lord.
busy? Why the commissioner secretary is busy?
No, my lord, I'm just trying to explain, my lord. It is not that he has informed me because of that. They said that they need some time, only that. But I know, my lord,
We'll have to give some reason also that why you could not, why he could not place the instruction.
my lord, they need some-
Engagement of the commissioner is due to
My lord may not record that, my lord. Because it will have another adverse effect, my lord. My
why?
lord, we need only, my lord, I'm praying is, we need further 10 days time. It is under process, my lord. It is under process. We need only 10 days time, my lord.
Okay, the due to no, so the last line will have there. This stuff.
I pray for a
Consider
state maybe, lordship.
the submissions of learned state council. Standing council,
No, my lord, I'm a
state council,
additional senior government advocate.
additional senior government advocate. Come on. 10 days time is granted. With hope and trust that
My lord.
invariably on the next date, the learned council will adhere to his assurances for instruction.
Lordship, I pray that date may be given, lordship, otherwise.
10 days.
It is not in.
Hello. Volume like.
My pleasure, lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this matter, my lord, kindly take up after some time, my lord.
Why?
My lord,
What is the matter about?
matter, my lord, relating to the non-payment of, my lord, some annual increment to the petition.
Annual increment. Affidavit has been filed.
Our pleadings are completed, Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
A.K. Azad, my lord.
A.K. Azad, your name is there.
Yes, my name is.
Learned counsel for the petition and also heard Mr.
PS Law Court. PS Law Court.
P.S.
2,
Lerkar,
4 and 5.
2, 4 and 5. Who arrest and Didi Burman, State Council
I'm
for
looking for one.
state respondents. List as spread for by parties. Let this matter listed after 2 weeks.
First week of
First week of September, any date?
2 weeks.
7 September.
2 weeks.
My lord. Deep level.
16.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, the issue was disposed of by a speaking order, Lordship.
Yes.
Thereafter, Lordship, a proposal was sent to send out his arrear money or Lordship, salary money. I just have to find out, Lordship, he has received the money or not, Lordship.
Yes.
Whether you have received or not.
No, man.
Lordship,
No,
will give me some time, I'll file my affidavit then. Yes.
He's
Okay.
supposed to bring the update instruction, my lord.
Lordship,
regarding
I'm
the
aware
payment.
about that.
Proposal for payment of withheld salary of the petitioner has been submitted to authority press for 3 weeks time to obtain up to that instruction.
Lordship,
Heard, Mr.
HP Gwala.
H.V.
Gwala.
Wala, learned counsel for the petitioner. As prayed for by Mr.
A Goswami.
A. Goswami, learned standing counsel, Forest Department.
Lordship.
Further 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction and file and to bring on record
If required.
the instruction by an affidavit as directed but as allowed by this court on 18/9/2025.
Well, date may be.
It's okay, let them
Well,
file.
because, my lord, the petitioner is, my lord, critically ill patient, my lord.
Okay, somewhere after 15 September,
Obliged.
18.
Obliged.
But you do it, huh?
I'll do it, Lordship. I'll do it, Lordship.
Obliged.
Ensure it.
22.
May it pleases my lord. My lord, contacting counsel, Mr. D. Soikia is occupied in court number 1 in the old building, my lord. He's on legs, my lord. Can it be after some time, my lord?
So all base is very far off.
My lord, he's on legs as of now, my lord.
What is to be done? What is the matter about?
My lord, this is a matter pertaining to, my lord, denial of appointment to the petitioner for not
Let us
submitting.
do one thing, it will take time.
my lord, this has to be taken up for disposal, my lord.
In that case, let us admit in the list for hearing on fixed day.
Admission,
So that, because on the hearing day, days we, is particular discord, we prefer to go for, preference is given for the hearing matters,
correct, my lord,
which is listed for hearing.
correct.
So we'll admit in list for hearing on particular fixed day.
My lord, instead of, my lord, admitting and coming for a hearing column, can it be taken up in the admission column?
No, that's
in
why
the-
I'm saying we're trying it to get it fixed, the matter listed for hearing so that it is taken up. Giving
Yes,
the fixed day.
yes.
Instead
My lord,
of,
there is some urgency in the matter, my lord.
that's what I'm saying.
There's some, next week, my lord, 28th.
28.
Next week,
20.
20. It's my lord.
20 the hearing day.
It's a hearing day, my lord.
Heard Mr. H.K. Das, learned senior counsel assisted by MS.
B. Saikia.
P.C.K. learned counsel by the president, as well as, and
H.
also
Borwan.
heard Mr. H. Boro, learned counsel appearing on behalf of
Mr. D. Soikia.
D.
D. Soikia.
D. Soikia, learned Advocate General.
My lord, in this matter, is not appearing as Advocate General.
He is appearing for
There
the
are
Oil
senior-
India Limited.
Limited.
Senior counsel for Oil India Limited, as well as Mr.
DJ Das for the railway.
DJ
DJ Das.
DJ Das, learned counsel for Respondent Railway. As agreed to the parties, let this matter be listed on
28th, my lord.
20 September.
Yes, no, August, my lord. 28th of August. my
Possible.
lord. It's a hearing day, my lord. There is urgency in the matter, my lord.
We have fixed so many matters. I'll have to-
My lord, I'll try my luck, my lord. I'll try my.
2020.
20. my lord. Highly obliged, my lord. There is an interim order, my lord, that may continue. my lord.
Interim order parcellation.
Highly obliged.
Supplementary hearing day. Yes. But we will take up the hearing matter. Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Deka.
Hmm.
So for the last date, it is fixed for report from the registry, Lordship.
Very first efforts by the which the reputed file by the respect being available in the receipt of. Yes, who is for respondent? On 27, heard MS?
Srimati Priyanka Roy.
P. Ghosh
Roy.
Roy, learned counsel for the petitioner. On 27/07/2026, MS again learned CGC for the CGC for the respondents submits that an affidavit of opposition has already been filed. Please consider having considered the submission, this court directed the registry to verify as to whether the affidavit is filed or not. As on that day, no affidavit was placed with the record. Next para. Office note dated 05 12/08/2026 reflects that no affidavit opposition has been filed by the respondents and on communication over the phone to the learned CGC. She appears to have assured to file the affidavit. However, no affidavit has been filed as of today. In view of above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. In the meantime, the learned CGC to file the required affidavit in opposition. Shall invariably file the affidavit, Required affidavit. This after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
The matter pertains to payment of arrears salary. From 2023 onwards, my learned friend, my learned senior counsel is yet to come up with the reply.
Lordship, we file our affidavit, my lord. Ready to seven up? Right?
So as to resolve the issue in hand amicably. You have taken a time to resolve the issue amicably.
I don't know whether any like settlement to that effect has been arrived.
A Atria. Who is A
Yes,
Atria?
he's one of our associate. We have filed a affidavit because during the lifetime, after his death, before his death, your lordship, after his death, the withdrawal order was withdrawn, termination order was withdrawn. And he's claiming the arrears salary, and coordinate bench has already dismissed the petition, writ appeal is pending regarding claiming of arrears salary.
Then what is this? What is this? What is the matter about?
What has happened is, he was terminated from service and pursuant to a division bench's order, he was reinstated.
Huh.
Now, the moment he was reinstated, by that time he expired.
Huh.
His wife, that is the petitioner herein, started receiving the pension. And while the pension proposal was drawn up, it was his entire service period, even considering the period of his termination, was taken into consideration, and the pension was
Prepared.
processed and paid.
Huh.
And she is receiving the pension. Now, since you have considered for the purpose of pension, that particular period also, and that particular termination order stood withdrawn as per the division bench's order. So you pay me my arrears salary.
No,
That is my
lordship,
case.
yes, issue is same, which has been adjudicated by lordship coordinate bench regarding payment of arrears salary, your lordship. Which
During the termination period.
yes. The Honorable Court held that they are not entitled for salary, but lordship writ appeal is pending. So this matter may come up. Says lordship that for the payment of pension, that period has been considered. It doesn't mean that for payment of salary also it would be considered. Since another court has held that they are not entitled for payment of salary, your lordship.
My learned senior counsel is stating that the affidavit has been filed by them, and I have not received the copy. Let me go through it, my lord. Lordship would fix it on a.
What is plague A? Affidavit in opposition file on behalf of respondent 1, 2, 3, and 5.
Yes, we have filed.
But I have not received it, my lord. Let the date be fixed, my lord. I'll go through it and can come back for the hearing.
What they are saying that you are not entitled. And he was not entitled because from the you were terminated on 3/3/2009 and reinstated in 2015. Since you have not rejoined or you have not worked, I mean your husband, he is not entitled for that period, but only for the purpose of pension, that period has been calculated. That is their stand. Anyway, you furnish the copy, ask your junior to furnish a copy. Heard, Mr. P. Baruraj, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard MS B. Boyal, senior counsel, assisted by correspondence.
Respondent BTC.
BTC. Now, I'll see. Next pair, sorry. Affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondent BTC.
Lordship.
How about? Same is without furnishing a copy to the petitioner.
Already been
now-
copied from my copy.
During the course of hearing, no, today, the copy of so and so is being furnished, has been furnished to the. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Purwas. In such circumstances, prays for some time to go through the affidavit in opposition. Accordingly, prays for listing after 2 weeks.
Let it be 3 weeks, my lord.
Yes.
I have to file a reply.
3 weeks is prayed for by learned counsel petitioner. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Obliged.
41.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lord, the matter relates to selection and appointment of Lord graduate teachers in the Lord.
Which department?
Lord secondary education, Lord.
Ha.
They are
Secondary
not-
education.
Either secondary.
Which secondary education? Ready?
Correct, taken after some time, my lord, the concerned council is on next, my lord, I'll just, come in. I'm actually elementary.
This appointment selection.
Selection and appointment, my lord, it needs, my lord, hearing, my lord, the pleading is completed. So, my lord, we are also in.
Yes,
some-
Mr. Das or Upat. Das. Mukhan.
I informed the.
You are also a standing counsel.
But I am for the elementary, not for second.
So who is the, will admit and list for hearing?
Lord, it can be taken up as an admission hearing because. my
It is
lord,
the listed for admission
No, my
hearing.
lord, the posts are going to be filled up, whatever vacant posts are available.
It
That
should not be filled up or what?
Yes, my lord, if
It
that,
should be filled up.
then, my lord, if we allow, there will be no vacancy, my lord. That will be the trouble. my lord.
Is there any interim order?
No, my lord, no, my lord.
Okay. We'll admit and list for hearing.
Lord, my lord knows, my lord, it will be not listed.
That's why we're admitting it. We know, therefore we are listing it,
Is it-
admit and list for hearing on particular date.
That
So
can
that
be
it
done.
can be taken up.
That can be done.
All right.
my lord.
Heard Mr. A.R. Buyal and counsel for the petitioners, and also heard Mr.
If open on behalf of.
on behalf of Mr.
My lord,
Eh?
SMT just.
SMTC learned counsel,
Gauhati.
learned standing counsel for
Secondary.
secondary education. Admit list for hearing on after 3 weeks. 18, 19 hearing day, September.
September,
18.
my lord. Obliged.
42.
I apologize, my lord, the last occasion, some instructions were sought. The instructions have not been received. My lord, we grant
Your
you
lordship
some
may
time.
kindly look into the order dated 31/7/2026. Issue is very simple, my lord. A departmental proceeding was initiated against me. I am a retired district transport officer. In the departmental proceeding, I have been exonerated of all charges. Now, in regard to the incident of a subordinate assistant of my office who had taken rupees 700 as a bribe, she was arrested. My lord, FI was lost. That criminal proceeding is yet to result, culminate in any charge sheet or any final form. So they have withheld my pension and other benefits on the ground that a criminal case is pending against me. But your lordship has dealt with this issue on a number of occasions. That's not the law that you can withhold the pension, gratuity, and other benefits of a retired person when the investigation has not culminated in any final form.
Some time may be granted, my lord. I sought for instructions where.
10 days. 10 days.
15 days, my lord. I'll take complete instructions, otherwise.
Then 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
On
And
28th,
Mr.
28th, my lord.
We, learned senior counsel assisted by
H. Agarwal.
A. Chakraborty.
H.
learned
Agarwal.
counsel for the petitioner. Huh? Chakraborty.
Agarwal.
Sorry, H. Agarwal, learned counsel for the petitioner. As spread for by Mr.
R.B. Goswami.
R.B. Goswami. Further 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction As allowed by this court on 31/07/2026. Mr.
B. Sharma for the
B. Sharma, learned standing counsel, account for respondent, account general is present. List.
Well, on 27, my lord, if they require, we'll accommodate. On 27, I have a matter fixed here.
27, yes.
Oh, oblige you.
Oblige.
May I pleasure your lordship?
Hmm.
My lord, this is a matter wherein school has been closed down on the prima facie allegation, my lord, that we have used a DIAS data code of a different school. The DIAS data code is not belong to the petitioner, my lord. That was the reason for issuing the impugn order, my lord. And now, my lord, altogether 249, 244 students are now, my lord, stranded. They are now without any school and without any education, my lord.
Yes.
Your lordship, here lordship, I want to file my affidavit lordship for respondent number 4 and 5.
Hmm.
Our instruction is still awaited lordship.
Hmm?
Our instruction is awaited lordship.
Who has filed the affidavit?
My lord, the affidavit is.
Challenge is which order?
My lord, challenging the order is at page 49, my lord. Order issued by the Additional District Commissioner Education, my lord, in the capacity of the mission, my lord, Hujai Shankardev Nagar, Office of the District Commissioner.
49.
My lord,
Against
page-
United School, it is
My lord.
observed that the inspector of Communist in his report stated that he had received the report from directors wherein it was stated that no
My
English code issued in the name of UDIC code is not issued.
That's absolutely, my lord, wrong
Written
assertion.
file was
It
open
clarifies
in the
from
name
their
of
affidavit.
Popular
my lord.
Underspeech with the underpurpose. Hence, the UDIC code is used by the English, United English
My
School
lord.
was fake and fine, and the said finish was running illegally.
Now, my lord, if my lord takes up
So
the.
ways to find it, to take this action for sealing and closure of, so inspectors will come so and so, will submit the compliance report to the undersigned. This has been stated.
My lord, no, it has not been stated, my lord. An affidavit has been filed, my lord, and
Who has
wherein,
filed this?
my lord, affidavit has been filed by the, my lord, the director.
SSA has filed its affidavit,
My
my
lord.
lord. In that particular affidavit, a letter of the
My
Secretary Education, if lordship stands for affidavit, my lord, page number 57. This is the letter from the Director of Secondary Education, Kalapahar, my lord.
57.
57, my lord. It's the midst. So, with reference to the
57 is something else. It's the last page of the affidavit.
57,
58, my lord, starts at page number 57 and 58.
57 in Annexure 2, my lord.
Annexure 12.
No, my affidavit by the running page number 57, my lord. There's an affidavit by the SSA, my lord.
Page.
My lord, running page, it starts at, my lord, the affidavit starts at.
Affidavit starts.
Yeah, no, page number 49, my lord, starts from page 50, my lord. Now, if my lord may be pleased to take.
Additional affidavit.
No, my lord, affidavit in opposition.
Respond number 8, my lord.
8.
My lord.
75. It's 75.
Okay,
It is 75.
So it.
One. Because.
What Mr. Bipul Kumar Das?
Yes, my
Yes,
lord.
my lord.
Yes.
Annexure 2. This is the letter of the Director of Education. With reference to the subject quoted above, I am to state that the order dated so and so. Order number so and so dated 22/4/2024 is in the name of United English School, that is the petitioner. So it is not issued by the office of the undersigned. And this is the permission of the school, by which this permission, he has taken out the DIAS code. And the director says that this is not issued by the office of the director.
No, not said. It is issued for some other schools.
So, and it, without taking out that particular document, my lord, this school has taken out the DIAS code, my lord. So now the, my lord,
issued from the
not issued from
office of the undersigned, the related file was open and
the related
processed
file
in
is
the name of
in the name of some
Kapala
other
Authorised Jyoti Vidyalaya by Kutisi under Barbados. Yes, you have not been issued.
My lord, it is their stand. And now, my lord, may be pleased to peruse the impugn order, my lord. Impugn order says that the DIAS code, now they have come up with another plea that this document has not been issued in the name of the present school, my lord. My lord, this document has no nexus with the, my lord, DIAS code, because the DIAS code has, my lord, they have also admitted that the school's DIAS code is correct. Now, in the impugn order, my lord, if my lord may be pleased to take up.
Who has said DIAS code is correct?
They have said, my lord.
Where?
In their paragraph number, my lord, 5. Page 50, my lord, may kindly peruse paragraph 5 of the same affidavit.
By taking
No,
let document, lord, we will come to the last
my lord, may kindly peruse the paragraph number 5, my lord. May I read, my lord, at page that has regard to statement made in paragraph number 3.
Upon saying it is found that United School allotted
My
jurisdiction
lord.
in the so that was submitted to national so for year 24-25, JS code was allotted as per online request submitted to district norms in the year 29. JS code was created in the portal by Minister of as per data that is bearing some from the office of the Assam to the respective pertaining permission which will upon
My lord, now they have come up with
from the
Now they have come up with another plea, my lord, that the letter which my learned friend is referring has not been issued in the name of the school. We are not the authority, my lord, to the issue the letter or something like that, my lord. If something has been done wrong, then it may be in the office, my lord.
Now, Lord,
There is no act of on the part of the petitioner, my lord.
now, Lord, we will turn to the last page of my affidavit, my lord. In Excerpt 3. Serial number 8, my lord. Last page of my affidavit, my lord, serial number 8. It may also be mentioned that the inspector of schools, Nagaon, while letter number so and so, communicated regarding the initiation of a necessary action of closure of the DIAS code of the institution, subsequently block elementary education initiated form number so and so for closure of the DIAS code. Now this DIAS code which he has obtained it by using another document, my lord, that process is on to closing. And for this closing, the form had to be filled up by the deputy commissioner, that closure of the DIAS code, and it will go to the DIAS code. DIAS code is maintained by another in Delhi. So that will be open, and ultimately the school's DIAS code will be deleted.
Without hearing us, my lord.
Because this has been obtained by using a fake document.
No, it is not fake. They have not stated the word fake, my lord. No, my lord, my learned friend's submission is highly.
Who is respondent number 8?
My lord.
Hello?
Who is respondent number 8?
Respondent number.
PC, no? Respondent number 7 is the inspector, my lord.
Respondent is the mission director.
Mission director.
Later on, it has been implemented, so I have filed my affidavit.
My lord.
It was not initially.
No, but then you have admitted that the school has already been issued UDS.
Yes, my lord.
DIAS code is there, but he had obtained it by using a fake document.
No. Fake
That's
has not been used,
the
my
letter
lord.
has made it clear, my lord, that it was not issued for the school. Director of the secondary education made it clear that's not issued from the office. So process has already started to cancel the DIAS.
No, let them carry out the process, my lord. We are required to be heard before cancelling the UDIS. We will participate and present our case there. But in the meantime, my lord, the students are suffering.
Initiated.
That hearing was also conducted for that, my lord. Serial number 2.
Hearing conditioning.
Hearing was also conducted.
No. Before cancellation, my lord.
Annexure 3, serial number 2 is the hearing also conducted. After that,
Who is the authority?
Now the deputy commissioner had to process that exercise, saying that this DIAS code had to be cancelled. So then there is an organization in Delhi which keeps the DIAS code. It has not been cancelled as yet.
No.
The process has started. not yet cancelled yet, but he has obtained the
Who has
direction
to file affidavit?
from the deputy commissioner that affidavit, because the order is from the deputy commissioner.
Heard
Additional
Mr.
deposit-
Air Buya, London Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. S.A. Talukdar, London Counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners, huh?
My lord. Police.
An affidavit in opposition on behalf of state respondent number 8 has been filed. Who else have filed? Only 8.
Only 8.
List of spread for by Miss M.S. Escort Learned State Council.
4 and 5.
Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit of opposition on behalf of respondent 3 and 5.
4 and 5.
4 and 5. List the matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, may I pray for an interim, my lord? Because the students numbering 244 is suffering, my lord.
Make it to 2 weeks in that case.
Because my lord, the students are coming, the school is in seal
They
condition.
said
my lord.
they said this will be student will be adjusted in
No,
nearby schools.
there is no any such school nearby, my lord. That is the
We'll see
difficulty.
after 2 weeks. We'll see. Let them file.
My lord, my lord. Problem.
You indicate also whether you have done anything, because you have said in your order that it should be students should be adjusted nearby
Nearby,
schools,
They can
neighboring
produce the
schools, whether that has been done or not.
My lord.
We are concerned more of the interests of the
It is
students
reliable.
rather than the right of operating or running the school.
My lord. Obliged. My lord, may I pray for a date, my lord, looking into the urgency, my lord.
What urgency?
Students are suffering, my lord. Otherwise, I will not
28.
pray, my lord.
27, 28.
My lord.
28.
Obliged, my lord.
Miss, you file affidavit, huh? Bring on record the instruction also, whether how the whatever the fate of these students. Yes.
23 for order.
Maybe the lawsuit. Lawsuit kindly peruse the order dated lawsuit 16 to 26 lawsuit. Lawsuit through RTI application, the petitioners got to know that some of the private respondents have collected their lawsuit notices from the concerned office lawsuit.
So what is to be done?
Lawsuit, moreover, lawsuit, similar three matters are pending before this honorable court lawsuit. Lawsuit, in that case, in those cases also, private respondents are same lawsuit. The present case may be taken lawsuit along with those matters lawsuit. Similar three matters are pending lawsuit.
There are similar 3 matters while pending. Similar.
Okay, I heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel, Mr.
J. Hatimuria.
Learned counsel petitioner as well as Mr.
A. Fukan, my lord, for GAT.
Learned
Standing counsel GAT.
Technical General Administration, Respondent General Administration, huh? As prayed for by the parties, let this matter be listed along with
WPC number 633/25.
633 of 2025.
Obliged, lawsuit.
Will continue after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes.
Burabangam Gulaghat, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, VRS benefits, some of the benefits has been given, my lord, to the petitioner, but later on came to know that calculation has been made on the basis of a old scale of pay, which was existed in the year 1988 till 92 for 5 years. Thereafter, Central Sugar Board has recommended that salary structure, my lord, at that time. But thereafter, no any salary structure is existed, my lord. State government has to formulate it, state has not formulated. Accordingly, my lord, state government scale has to entitle to the petitioner, my lord. In this regard, I like to draw attention to my
Who has filed respondent number 5?
Lord.
Respondent number 5 has filed a written submission.
Lord, and for that cooperation department.
Why this big bunch of written submission? Why these judgments are?
Along with judgment, I have submitted today, my lord.
Judgment will the same similar matter.
Similar matter, my lord.
What was
My lord, in my writ petition, 2 false prayer is there, my lord. One, that is, the calculation has been made on the basis of old scale of pay. I am praying for at the rate of 98, recalculation should be made. Another is that, my lord, house rent allowance and medical allowances has been provided to all other PSUs, which has been given VRS benefit under the revised revised VRS scheme, which is notified in by dated 15th of February 2026, my lord. All the PSUs, sick PSUs has been provided VRS benefit on that basis, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I am submitting certain judgment along with specific paragraphs, my lord. I am mentioning that in that judgment.
Okay, heard, Mr.
M. Soikia, my lord.
M. Soikia, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also,
on behalf of G. Bordeloi.
huh? We will record his name. He argued on that day, G. Bordeloi.
Yes, Lord.
And also heard Mr. Who has argued that on that day?
My lord, he was there, but on behalf of G. Bordeloi, he is submitting, my lord.
Lordship, submissions we had not heard that day, Lordship. We only submitted our written argument, Lordship. But earlier, Lordship, the standing counsel for finance is given in submission.
Who else are there?
My lord,
P. Nayak.
P. Nayak was there.
Learn additional AG or
Additional
finance
AG.
standing counsel. Additional AG for the state respondent and as well as Mr.
NJ Deimari on behalf of G. Bordeloi.
G. Bordeloi.
Cooperation department.
We'll submit.
No, Lordship.
We'll in that case we'll record G. Bordeloi.
Lordship, Lordship.
This pay scale thing, Lordship, has to be, Lordship, submitted by the finance department.
Yes, my lord, he submitted.
G. Bordeloi. And counsel for
Cooperation department.
Cooperation department. Okay, this one written submission is by respondent number 5.
Cooperation department.
And for then other one is by
Today I am submitting on.
yes, that is yours.
Repetitioner.
There is two written submissions.
Yes, my lord. P. Nayak was submitted orally, my lord. He wanted to refer to some certain judgment I have annexed today, my lord, along with my argument.
Okay.
Wherein the
Hearing concluded.
wherein my lord-
Judgment reserved.
Yes, my lord. Apply, Your Lordship.
Item 25.
Yes.
25, my lord, it's a MSc appeal, well. And my lord, I am for the claimants. They have come up with an appeal on the grounds that, my lord, the calculation is not appropriate. And my lord, the PW2, he has suddenly appeared and given witness. And the witness of DW1 has not been considered property. These are their grounds.
What are they? Where is the appellant? Have you received the award? Payment you have received?
50%, man.
50%. What is to be done? 2016 matter. Last occasion you have not appeared. Today he is not appearing. El Sharma. Basically, what are their grounds?
Their grounds are basically that the PW2 or witness, he has appeared suddenly and given his witness. He said that he is an eyewitness. He has said that he has seen the incident, and that witness, they are saying that he is is not trustworthy. And secondly, your DW1, their witness, the investigator of the case, his statements were not properly considered. And third, my lord, there is that, my lord, the amount that has been awarded, my lord, is high.
So what is your submission?
My is that, my lord, in this case, my lord, we have the accident took place when, my lord, the husband of this claimant was returning home, and this vehicle which was involved in the accident, the motorcycle, that was subsequently seized by the police. Search sheet was submitted, and that criminal case was going on that regard.
The involvement is of motorcycle.
Motorcycle, my lord, motorcycle
Okay.
on the backside. And my lord, and the PW1, the claimant, though she has not physically present at the spot, she has not seen the incident, but later on she has come to know that the motorcycle has committed the offense. And the PW2, he has seen this, he was present at that time in the
He was
roadside.
the eyewitness.
He is the eyewitness, he has seen it. And
That
on the
he
basis-
said that it was a motorcycle. He said that it was by this offending vehicle.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
And the
motorcycle.
owner- And the owner of that vehicle, the statement of the owner of the vehicle has been taken by the investigator.
Hmm.
He has also said that his vehicle was involved in the incident. He has also admitted that part.
Okay, then
And lordship, regarding the, my lord, the amount, my lord, I think, my lord, it is appropriately given because this part, he is a 58 years, my lord, old person, and he was serving in Oil India.
1 year to go.
One year-
Retirement.
1 year to go.
He
And
died before 1 year of retirement.
retired.
What is the appropriate calculation?
Calculation was given in the judgment, my lord.
It's okay. The judgment is put to challenge.
No, the calculation which is given, my lord, is
The problem is, where is this appellant? What is to be done? Can we dispose it of? Dismissing the appeal without hearing him. Okay, non-appears for the petitioner, appellant on call. Mr. Matter is listed before this bench in view of the all pending, in view of the as the in view in pursuant to the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. However, since the appellant is unrepresented as a by way of however, since the appellant is unrepresented today, further opportunity is granted to the appellant accordingly. List this matter after two weeks.
My lord, date may be fixed.
After 2 weeks, is Mr. Mr. User and counsel for the respondent's claimant is present, is spread for and having considered the matter pending since 2016. Let this matter be listed on 28 August. Mr. Sekia to inform the learned counsel for the appellant, Mr. El Sharma. One El Sharma is there. One El Sharma appeared last occasion.
Yes.
So you inform him?
So they have standing counsel for this.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, before he starts, Lordship, may I pray Lordship to peruse one order passed by this Honorable Court, Lordship?
Lordship, here in this matter, some views were sought from the pension department.
My
Now
lord,
the
they were
pension
randomly.
department is the respondent number 4, they have included him. But Lordship, the pension department, Lordship, the GA Assam name has not been reflected. I have given a communication of that document to the counsel for the pension department, respondent number 4, Lordship. Also to the Lordship, that views are awaited, Lordship, from the pension department since long.
In continuous the order letter is
My lord,
direct
last-
to inform you the views of the ARTP. What is this?
Pension department.
As administrative reforms and training, personal
Pension.
and pension.
Yes.
Still
Yes,
on
sir.
whether the service of Dr. Dilip Kaur was still can be forfeited under the and the deemed date of retirement so listing order so can be considered as the date of subordination for in view of the you are directed to pay before the time of 3 weeks to come to appropriation. What is your stand in the affidavit?
Affidavit, Lordship, there were no records to be found, Lordship. Actually, Lordship, what happened in this matter, Lordship? The petitioner from 1998, he stopped going to the place of work, Lordship. Then he subsequently retired in the year 2005, Lordship. But after a gap of almost 24 years, Lordship, he has preferred this writ petition claiming his retirement benefits. So, Lordship, there were no documents in our office because it shifted. But later on from the Lordship, from the AG office, Lordship, we got some documents. And thereafter, we, Lordship, processed with the provisional pension. Now the lady is getting the provisional family pension. But regarding the final pension, Lordship, the date of retirement will has to be, Lordship, finalized. And for that, Lordship, that view was sought for from the pension department. So that view, Lordship, the pension department will have to furnish us.
He has recorded, he's retired.
No, Lordship, he passed away after filing of this writ petition.
Wife is before your Lordship.
Now the wife
Family
is,
pension, Lordship.
now the wife is getting the provisional family pension.
Okay, you are seeking for family pension now.
Family
Yes,
pension. Provisional is receiving Lordship.
No, but problem is that until the time it is finalized when he has retired, he had retired. It's very difficult to calculate, is not it?
So far, as per the orders passed by this Honorable Court, Lordship, they have received all the instructions from the AG department also. Pursuant to that, Lordship, they have released the provisional pension, Lordship. And now the issue is, Lordship, regularization of final pension, Lordship. And for that, Lordship, from last 2 years, Lordship, randomly he has been taking adjournments, Lordship. Randomly he has been taking time, my Lord, for finalization of regular pension, Lordship. Already he has procured the records, Lord, documents, Lordship. And Lordship, may kindly see order dated, Lordship, 21
So in
11
that case,
2023.
we'll direct you to finalize whatever you want to do it
Yes, but
within
simple issue,
reasonable
Lordship.
time, yes.
Lordship, but
For that, they've
until
been
and
taking
unless,
2 years
Lordship,
of
the
time,
views
Lordship.
of the pension department is there, Lordship.
Who is there? Pension department is not there. You decide, both of you,
No,
whatever
the
is there.
thing is that Lordship, just now I am being handed over this instruction, Lordship. Now, thing is that Lordship, yes, that one copy of the WPC will be furnished to me, Lordship, so that I may do the necessary whatever is
Orders
required.
releasing the pension fund.
But they have all the records, Lordship. They have procured all the records from the AG department, Lordship.
So will not direct you to release the family pension. We'll say you work it out, you decide it
Yes, my Lord. That is
within
what,
a
my Lord.
reasonable period of time.
Yes, my Lord.
Say within
Yes, my
2
Lord.
months you decide whatever.
From last 2023, Lordship, my Lord, same submission has been.
In that case, Lordship may, what I feel, Lordship may dispose of the matter. We'll do it internally, Lordship.
Whatever.
We'll do it internally.
But Lordship, at least 3 months' time may be granted, Lordship.
No,
After due
well,
date,
you have
because
the
we have to
documents.
Lordship, we have to get the views of the pension department as well. It can be disposed of, Lordship, but.
3 months.
3 months.
3 months, my Lord, is it lady, Lordship, bad ridden, Lordship,
But Lordship,
3 months
before
time.
this code after
My Lord, they
24
could
years.
have, my Lord, disposed of the matter, my Lord, in the year 2023, Lordship. Lordship, let's see, kind of one order, Lordship.
Lordship, yes,
Passed by the coordinates, one order, Lordship.
Lordship.
How they are
Page-
misleading the code, Lordship.
Lordship,
23, Lordship. 23,
It's okay, we'll not go into all these things.
my Lord, on 22/11/2023, my Lord, he stated that
23,
22/11/2023, Lordship, one order, Lordship.
22,
22/11/2023, Lordship. One order, 3 years back, Lordship. What he has submitted before your Lordship, Lordship.
it's okay, we'll not
Well,
go
he
into.
submitted that, Lordship. The Communal Learned Council held submits that particular sort from the Accountant General Office has been received and the matter is under active consideration for finalization of pension of the petitioner. He prays
It's
for
okay,
full-
we'll grant them, I mean, it has to be resolved until unless they take a final call, decide the issue, again unnecessary. We'll grant you 2 months' time. You work it out, both the department, whoever you want to, I mean.
All
to
the
it.
respondents, Lordship.
Huh?
All the respondents.
All the respondents, we'll mention all the respondents.
Well, 2 months, my Lord, 1 month, my Lord.
2 months.
No, no.
They'll not be able
After
to do
due
it.
verification.
Already,
and-
my Lord, from 2023,
We understand,
he has
we
been,
understand.
Lordship,
It's
delaying,
okay.
my Lord,
It's
matter.
okay.
For 4 years, Lordship.
24 years.
Heard,
24
Mr.
years.
Di Bhuya, my Lord.
T. Bhuya, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. Who is one? D. Upamani,
Yes, sir.
learned standing counsel
Health and Family Welfare
Health
Department.
and
I am
Family
for
Welfare.
1, 2, and 3.
and Mr. CKS
That's what
one,
for.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Mr. CKS Borua, learned state council for respondent number 4.
And for 5, Lordship, AG appears, but today there is no one, Lordship.
AG has not much role to play now.
There have to be
Hmm.
some. Lordship,
Who is appearing?
RK Talukdar.
Arkel Learned Standing Council for
She's
Arke Taluk for this and so on. Good disposal. I'll dictate in the chamber. All right. Pass the order, dispose. 2 months.
after
Complete
due
the-
verification
complete.
if entitled. That's
Already everything has been verified, Lordship.
It's
Now only simple thing is that they have to release the regular
okay.
pension also. How long they will time for verification?
2 months, they will verify and do the exercise complete, and if
From last years, Lordship,
thereafter,
same submission has been placed.
thereafter,
Very
definitely, whatever is there, you are entitled. They want to clear the, make the
must
records,
have to reach to a logical conclusion.
to set the records
Lordship,
right,
from
that's
2
all.
years I am taking time, but for 24 years he waited.
But what is your stand?
I stand initially that there was no records.
Now you have the
And
records.
Lordship,
Yes,
we have
they
got
received record
certain
from AG
documents,
office.
not all the documents from the AG.
It's okay.
Lordship,
Then
and
how can we
based
release
on
my
that,
provisional
Okay.
pension, Lordship?
based
You
on-
do it within 3 months, 2 months.
2 months.
Hmm.
Aged lady, Lordship.
Dispose
That
of.
written, Lordship.
Dispose of that.
Oblige, chalo. Item number 32, Mr. Arbol Pujari appears. Lordship, he is not in court, Lordship. Can it be, Lordship, I informed the senior, can it be passed over for the time being, Lordship?
Typing or it may be come up if he is engaged, come up.
Yes,
On
Lordship.
Tuesday, next Tuesday, my lord.
Why?
I
What
have
is the
some
matter
argument,
about?
My lord, since they are not receiving salary, my lord, and due to the regret.
What is the matter about?
Matter about the correction of date of birth by the petitioners, my lord.
Hmm.
And the department, after medical examination, forwarded the proposal to the finance department, my lord.
Huh. Then
But finance department regretted that approval, my lord.
saying what?
In fact, in their service book, their date of birth is correctly recorded.
Hmm.
But at the time of regularization, my lord, the names and some of the names and date of birth were incorrectly recorded at the government records. But so far as service book is concerned, their date of birth is correctly recorded. And
Still,
the
still your
department-
service being is correctly recorded.
Recorded, my lord.
Then
And-
what's the problem?
Because there we have filed our affidavit.
Hmm.
But we have filed our affidavit.
In their affidavit, they have stated that it was not done within 3 years. But so far as that part is concerned, my lord, we have not approached before the authority, my lord. But the department itself initiated the process to correct the same and send the proposal to the finance department, my lord. So where is the rule 8 of the SR, my lord, applicable? And I have also submitted the reply, my lord, against their affidavit.
Yes.
So department on their own, they have
Yes, my lord.
initiated the proposal.
Yes, my lord.
I mean, the process for correction of your date of
Yes, my
birth.
lord. That is at page, my lord, your lordship may page 35, my lord, your lordship may
35.
found it. Page 35, that is type copy, my lord.
Additional chief engineer.
I have the honor to submit here with the report of the correction. That is in the year 2008, that is within 3 years, my lord, of their
It's
regular-
date of birth or date of engagement?
Yes. Etc. Names, date of birth.
No,
date
no,
of
yours
engagement.
is about,
My lord.
yours is for correction of date of birth,
Yes, my lord. They are seeking for a correction of date of birth, my lord.
not engagement, date of engagement, not date of engagement.
Yes, my lord. And in their format, my lord, my name is appeared as, that is at page 37, my lord. Proposal is, my lord, page 37. Annexure 6.
Incorrect list of regularized master law in respect of petitioner date of birth. Date of birth is mentioned in the service book. You have retired?
No, my lord. I am still working. My date of retirement is, my lord,
2030 and 2032.
32, my lord.
But in the recorded, as per recorded thing,
Well,
as per recorded date of birth,
as per my service book, my lord, my date of
forget
birth,
about service book. Which one you, which entry you want to get it corrected? Where is the entry?
my lord, in that case, my lord, I will refer your lordship the affidavit of the department, my lord.
Why?
Because my lord, department have
How many
specifically stated
petitioners are there?
why that is happened, my lord.
How many petitioners are there?
2 petitioners. One
Ah.
have already expired.
What is page 37? What is page 37?
Yes, my lord, but that is the proposal. And
recorded as sanction letter, seal number of this so and so, name of the division, correction, modification of proposed, date of birth. What is the initial date?
incorrect date is, my lord, that is at page 18, my lord. Their date of retirement is page 44, my lord, your lordship, page 8, annexure 8.
I'm not asking which entry you would like to, you want to get it corrected.
Page 43 and 44, your lordship, what? That is from the additional chief engineer. With reference to the subject, I have the honor to forward here a proposal for correction of names of date of birth in respect of 3 nongs of regular MR Rebar mentioned below, along with the attested copy of relevant documents received from the executive PWD Koliabor subdivision surgeon. That is the 1 and 2 is the petitioner 1 and 2, my lord. Abdul Rahman and Waizuddin. Waizuddin already expired, my lord. And in the next page, my lord, that proposal is there, my statement is there. Page 44, your lordship.
What is this?
Page 44, my lord, that is mentioned their date of retirement.
Why don't the date of retirement? That will be consequential. I'm asking, where is the wrong entry of your date of birth?
That is at page 111, 111, my lord, in the affidavit of the respondent. Name and date of birth, government regularization order dated such and such 39/2025. Name Abdul Rahman. That is the petitioner is 16/2/1957 and Waizuddin is 31/10/1956. But correction and modification required is the in respect of petitioner number 1, my lord, that is Abdul Rahman is 28/2/1972 and Waizuddin is 31/10/1970.
On the basis of what?
That is after magisterial inquiry, my lord, by the department, my lord. And as well as their marks, sorry, school certificates is also annexed by the department itself, my lord. That is in their affidavit, my lord.
Yes, which for PWD?
Here the thing is that, my lord, there are Contradictions, my lord. We tried, my lord, but my lord, finance has regretted. Now, my lord will come to page number 44 of the writ petition, my lord, once. My lord, you will find two names of the writ petitioner. First is Abdul Rahman and Wamuddin. My lord, actual their date of retirement was 28/2/17 and 31/10/16. It was, my lord, when in the date entry as a master worker, my lord. That is serial number 147. So, my
Serial
lord,
number
147.
147.
That is there, my lord, in page number 49, the original document. Page number 49.
Yes.
One.
On what basis you have sent for, you initiated the process for correction?
In their affidavit, they have stated.
My lord, in our affidavit, we stated in para 5 that with regard to the deponent begs to state that regularization letter from some anomalies regarding date of birth and names of few numbers of employees were found, and necessary correspondence has been made to the government for correction of and modification of date of birth, as well as name, wide office letter, such and such. My lord, it was brought to the notice, my lord, baby, by the petitioner only, my lord. So, no, that is they initiated. In para 4, my lord, we have said that the incumbent submitted school certificate as a proof of date of birth. They brought in, my lord. So then we went for a
Magistrate inquiry.
Magistrate inquiry. In calculated, my lord, we forwarded. But in the meantime, my lord, when the matter reached to finance department, that was in 2019, they have rejected. By then they were, if we go by the record, they have already retired from the service.
No, my lord. He is still working. And petitioner number 2 is in fact expired in the year 2023, my lord. I have already brought in their record.
So, my lord, if now finance will be able to, my lord.
Then if he is expired, what will be the
his benefits will be he is entitled, my lord, since he is going to retire in the year 1932, my lord. So by this period, he will get his salary, my lord.
How?
Since he is working, my lord, and petitioner number was is still working.
Since he has died, how can he get the salary?
My lord, that is under compassionate family pension, my lord.
Yes,
he will get compassionate family pension, not salary.
Not
Since
salary.
he has got 5 years from 2017, they have stopped the salary to till his death, my lord.
When he died?
He died on, my lord.
Yes, sir. Why? There's a magistrate inquiry.
Here, there is, as we have stated in our affidavit, that as per FISR for change within 3 years, that is not permissible.
No, see, there was a magistrate inquiry. From which date you will be calculating? How the 3 years will be computed from which date?
Now it is lordship.
They have detected on the after regularization.
Yes, lordship.
Before that, they are in service book. It is correctly recorded.
There are those
Service book is correct, my lord. In fact, their service book is correct, and that was annexed by the department itself.
Service book, my lord. The one thing is that, my lord, regularization will prevail, my lord. Service book is maintained by the division, my lord.
See, it's okay. Regularization. Regulation, you have you yourself say that is incorrectly
recorded
given. Accordingly, you cause a magistrate inquiry, and on the basis of that, you have sent it for correction.
And my lord, I would like to show your lordship, my lord, the OM of the finance department, my lord, in this respect. Your lordship may kindly peruse. On the basis of that, magisterial inquiry was done, my lord.
Your lordship may kindly peruse 108, my lord.
108.
Correction of age. Lordship got it, 108, my lord. That is department's affidavit. Instance have come to the notice that this department has, post of the department initiated proposal for correction of the date of birth in respect of government servants under their administrative control on the basis of affidavits executed by the servants or records other than the original matriculation certificate, even though the matriculation certificate or equivalent certificate is the basis as per provisions of SR 8 for recording age of a government employee. It is therefore requested that age of the government employee, it is therefore requested that that wherever an employee under your administrative control application for correction of age on the basis of documents other than the matriculation certificate, equivalent certificate, a report from the district magistrate SDM concerned should invariably be obtained to verify the correctness of the
Where is the
age claim.
report?
Yes, my lord.
Where is the report?
Report is, my lord, that is in the affidavit of the department, my lord, page 116, my lord.
116.
116, my lord, and 17, my lord, here. Submission of verification of the age, ossification test report, and then inform you that the proposal for correction of date of birth of Abdul Rahman Waizuddin, Abdul Muhammad, grade 4, labor have been submitted, finance department or finance department by 10% dated, regrets and will consider the proposal. And then your lordship, my lord, come to joint director of health service. That
Where is the
page
report?
one.
Report of the magistrate.
And the next page, my lord.
Which page?
Page 117, my lord.
To district submission verification is by ossification test.
Waizuddin and Abdul Rahman according to based by
I would
personal
like to
between
submit
14,
the
48 years. This is for kind information.
according to regulation. Or above 40 to 50 years of age. Then
And I have also annexed this entire report, my lord, with my petition also.
the ossification test only shows that you are 40 to 50 years of age. Then how they come into a specific date of that
My lord,
birth?
your lordship may come to page 58. That is report of the additional district magistrate. Page 58 of my petition, annex 13, my lord.
58.
In reference to the letter under reference, lordship got it, page 58. That is by the additional after in response to the letter under reference, I have the honor to inform you that after thorough verification of school certificates and date of birth, Mr. Waizuddin, hence this supervision is 2030 and Abdul Rahman is 1972, hence the supervision falls 1932, submitted for your kind information. That is by the additional district commissioners.
So on this basis, where is your school certificate?
I am showing, my lord. And I have also annexed the X-ray report also, my lord. X-ray report also annexed, my lord.
We're not interested. X-ray report.
And school certificate.
On
your
that
lordship.
basis, X-ray report, it says 40 to 50 years.
That is
above 40 to 50 years only. The magistrate, this report will be required. Where is the report? This is the only report. Where is your certificate? School certificate.
School certificate is there, my lord.
Show us, no?
Page 100, my lord, that is in respect of petitioner, my lord.
100 again.
That was annexed by the department, my lord. Abdul Rahman, that is, my lord. "14 years 28 February 1986, my lord, as per his school certificate, my lord. Or certificate is annexed in the next page, my lord. That is the type copy and in respect of my lord, petitioner number 2 is 102, my lord.
This is school certificate, my lord, not date of birth certificate. Transport certificates.
And 102 is the petitioner number 2, my lord. And then your lordship may come to the service book of the petitioner number 1, my lord, that is Abdul Rahman, my lord. 104. 28 to his date of birth by Christian era is 28 to 1972. And 105 is petitioner number 2, 110, 1970.
This service was reported in? When your service was regularized?
In the year 2005, my lord.
2005, that is, my lord, page number 48 of the writ petition, my lord, regularization order, that list is there. There, my lord.
14.
48, 48. My lord will come in page 48. My lord is in page 48. Serial number 128 and 130.
No, my lord, in writ petition,
Writ petition, writ petition, page 48.
No, no, আপনার এটা The regulation order is at page 18, my lord. Serial number 108.
Page 18.
Page 18, my lord.
Regulators.
2005.
2005, my lord.
And this service
Exactly.
service book was entered on
108.
2007. Is it 2007?
My lord.
That
Service
is what,
book.
that is what, my lord, 120, 108 and 10. 110, my lord. Here, now again, my lord, have to tally it with page number 48, cause there 108 is 128 serial number and 110 is 130. So that is, my lord, that serial number is there in page number 48. So I was just referring directly, was taking my lord to that page. Because this has to be tallied with the original list.
I have annexed the regulation order, my lord, wherein the name of the petitioner
That is what in
and the process initiated within 3 years.
So,
Process was initiated within after from the date of regularization, and the applications by the department have submitted on 28/5/2008. And regulation order was issued on, my lord, 1/10/2005.
order dated
1/10/2005 regulation order.
Page
18.
18. Then
And proposal for correction was submitted on, my lord,
on
my lord, 28/5/2008.
2008.
28/5/2008.
Page
Page 35, my lord. And originally is at page.
Then
30
impugn order rejecting regret.
Impugn order, my lord.
Ah.
My lord, I have only challenged the in my
Department
prayer.
of the Finance.
No, my lord.
Where
In
is
fact,
the-
for modification and correction of my regularized.
my lord, they did not challenge that order, my lord.
That I have not challenged, my lord. Since, my lord, my department have already initiated the process for correction, but finance department has rejected. That letter is not with me, my lord.
My lord, now, no, he has this letter when affidavit was filed, he was in possession of this letter. Because, my lord, if my lord even
No, you cannot submit. You have all along you have initiated for the correction. How can you say so now? It is only we'll have to see whether is the computation is from the date of when? 3 years computation.
From the, before his retirement.
Huh?
They have sent the proposal in 2019.
Huh?
So, Lordship, there's the bar which we have annexed in our affidavit. Where it says.
2008. They have initiated in 2008.
But, Lordship, yes. Now, but it has received the department on year 2019. Lordship, we have.
Can't help it. Can't help it.
That is.
Dispose of, you consider, correct it. Consequences will follow.
Lordship will just have it next week. Let me obtain the instructions.
What-
Lordship.
what-
Lordship.
My lord, matter is pending, cease to.
22,
And
yes.
once
Lordship.
they have.
No, Lordship, we have stated that we are barred because of this rule, Lordship. That's
We'll
it.
consider that.
My lord,
We'll
here,
consider that. Well, your, the stand will be considered,
Yes, Lordship will consider, because there is,
but we are allowing the writ petition.
Lordship will give us the scope of verifying, Lordship. If
What
because
verify?
there is a, in the notification itself, there is a relaxation also, Lordship, that
Huh,
maybe we have very strictly incorporated whatever is written over here.
huh.
Lordship will give us the liberty to at least consider the case.
no, my lord. Here, my lord, I have submitted one judgment of the division bench of 1969.
Huh.
In respect of my lord, that in this judgment, my lord, that is the AIN 1916 Assam and Nagaland 259, my lord.
Huh.
That is passed by MC Patok and DM Shan, my lord. Here, the division bench stated that in case there is a dispute, the date of birth mentioned in the service book will prevail, my lord. Para 7, my lord, so and so, so and so. In the case before Supreme Court recorded employee 16/4/1910, which changed the date of birth as 16/4/1907. Primary date of birth recorded in the service book has to be accepted unless it is altered following the proper procedure. My service book is recorded is still there, my lord. That was not altered. Only that, my lord, during the regularization, my lord, there is some change, there is some mistake in the names, the date of birth and others. That was acknowledged by the department itself, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, in our case, Lordship, the bar is only the section,
may
Lordship.
I-
Otherwise,
May I place it, my lord?
This date of birth, see, service book, page
My lord, service book, it has page, my lord.
10.
104 and 105.
105. Then
104.
school certificate,
School certificate, my lord, prior to this, my lord, that is 100
hmm.
and 102, my lord. That is in department's affidavit, my lord.
Page. Then
And in my reply to the affidavit in opposition of the finance department, my lord, I have stated regarding this, my lord, para 3 and 4, my lord, in my reply. My reply is 122 to 226 million, 126 million. Para 3 and 4, my lord.
page
123 and 124, my lord, in my reply, para 3 and 4, my lord. Regarding the 3 years period, my lord, which I have clarified.
your affidavit is
Their affidavit is
para
in
Lordship, we have stated in our para
number 4, my lord.
4, Lordship.
para 4
Yes.
of finance.
Yes, our affidavit, Lordship.
Page
Paragraph 4 is in page 123 and the relevant is 125, Lordship.
page 125.
Yes, the notification. Relevant para is in 126, Lordship, paragraph 2.
126.
Paragraph 2, Lordship.
Paragraph 4. Para 4.
Second paragraph, Lordship.
That is in respect of SR 8, my lord.
Yes.
What about what will happen to this who has died? Petitioner number 2.
My lord.
Petitioner number 2.
Yeah.
About petition number 2?
Best already brought in record, my lord.
Huh.
Petitioner number 2, my lord.
Huh.
And petitioner number is still continued with the.
So what about he continued, when did he died?
No, my lord, he is.
When did he die?
Petitioner number 1 alive, my lord.
Two,
My lord.
When? Expired?
Lordship has heard the matter. Lordship may fix it on Tuesday, Lordship. Let us complete our instruction on that day. Lordship may pass the order, Lordship.
What instruction?
Lordship, here, as per the relaxation, Lordship, Lordship, just some instruction, Lordship will give us.
Do it.
By Lordship may pass it on Tuesday.
We spend considerable amount of
Yes,
time.
Lordship, but Tuesday, Lordship. I'm not praying for a very long time. My learned friend was asking for some accommodation today, so Lordship will just.
No, my lord, I am
No,
not.
he was ready to argue, but
He died on 25/12/2024, my lord.
24.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship has heard it. Otherwise, on Tuesday, Lordship, if my learned friend doesn't have a difficulty, we can just on Tuesday, Lordship. If
Next week, this court will not be here.
Yes, my lord. My lord will.
So we'll keep it part heard.
Yes, Lordship may keep it part heard, and on the next date, Lordship will, because everything else is otherwise decided.
Have you discharged? Have you passed any order on the basis of the earlier?
Just now he submitted that they are working.
Yes.
Petitioner is still working, my lord.
Heard,
And,
Mr.
he may obtain instruction by the time.
Heard, Mr.
I allow.
I am learned counsel for the petitioners. This the respondent number 2 is substituted by his
My lord.
legal heir.
Yes, my lord. He's already substituted, and I have already submitted.
Substituted by legal heir.
Legal hair, my
In
lord.
this proceedings.
My lord.
Okay. As well as and also heard Mr. H. Alia, learned standing counsel finance department, as well as Mr. R. the learned standing counsel PWD. Additional senior management or standing counsel PWD. Hard in part. Hard in part. List after 2 weeks.
Yes.
2 weeks on the next date. The learned counsel for the respondents to place instructions. That's all. May place instruction is short for. You just find out what is to be done. Maybe we may go for shortcut instead of directing.
Yes,
It's not
yes,
it.
Lord, that is why, Lord.
Don't fix it. It's
That
part hard. It will be automatically listed as and when this court sits.
As and when your lordship is.
Just make it 2 weeks. After 2 weeks. Yes. Because we have already spent considerable amount of time. Therefore.
Obliged.
Obliged. me.
6.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, may I please? With your permission, may I mention item number 33 has been mentioned in the morning. I am for the respondents. No permission has been taken from us. I am for respondent number 6 and 7. It has been mentioned.
You have a word with
We have been waiting. But Lordship,
have a word with your friend. I mean, colleague who has made a mention. You see, record his name as respondent. Item 33.
Mr. E.S. Bhattacharya for respondents 6 and 7. Item 33.
Well, just record it this time. You have a word with them.
Lordship.
But this is something, it's a kind of courtesy.
Yes,
Everyone
at
should.
least intimated
Okay.
afterwards also.
Okay.
That will- Lordship, the issue is.
It's okay. We cannot hear now.
Lordship, Amrish,
Thank you.
The time is.
See,
3
we're
weeks.
just recording today.
No,
We
that
feel-
is perfectly fine, Lordship.
Yes, then.
Lordship, 3 weeks have been given. May I submit if a time can be given? I'll tell you the problem, Lordship. Issue is.
No, then again, we have not heard him. We have already allowed the adjournment. The same thing will happen. They'll say also, in the morning, they will say that the court has granted adjournment. Again, we are not hearing me again.
It will be granted, but a date if it can be given. 3 weeks you have given.
After 3 weeks, give the date. 33. I think 33. I didn't know who it must
8
be.
or 15 September. 8
Remember,
September, 15 September. 50. Much obliged, Lordship.
May it please, your lordship.
Yes.
Item 36, my lord, the petitioner is a case of termination from service.
Huh.
At that relevant point of time, he was serving as superintendent of police, my lord,
Huh.
in Dorong district. My lord, on 21/5/2026, my lordship may kindly peruse the order.
Pleading
Honorable-
statement complete. Issue rule, call for records of the information as well as records related to SI Anwar Hussain investigation in respect to. Then
DP proceeding, my lord, the records of the petitioner was called for, along with, my lord, the proceedings, DP proceedings, findings, and conclusion of SI Anwar Hussain, IO of Dhula PS 114/2022.
records relating to one SI Anwar. Who is this?
My lord, this, he was the investigating officer at that particular point of time pertaining to
Sir,
the.
do you have the record?
Yes.
Yes.
And my lord, the proceeding of the finding,
Everything will be there in the record.
my lordship.
This is a
Then-
part of record, my lord, everything.
Then, my
So
lord,
today, I think he has problem to do the case, my lord. So matter may be taken up some other day as.
my lord, if the records have come, my lord,
Records are received.
records received. And the finding conclusion of SI Anwar Hussain.
Everything is in the record.
My lord, we may be allowed a copy of that, my lord.
Record.
No, records we cannot.
Record, no, not record. This findings of conclusion of SI Anwar Hussain, because it will be a parity of, my lord, case.
No, we'll allow you to look, see,
Inspect.
but we will not, without hearing, we'll see. This is only for calling the records.
My lordship, my lordship, oblige.
I have not, this thing, I have no hesitation to allow you to look there, but providing the documents will be, it should be unnecessary. Are you ready or not today?
My lord, on the 1st of October, my lord, we have already discussed. my lord.
October,
Can it be on 6th of October?
September, October. Almost two months.
My lordship.
Anyway,
The date fixed by the.
heard Mr.
M.K. Das, my lord.
M.K. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. B. Goswami. Learned senior counsel. Additional Advocate General for the state, assisted by Mr. C.K. Barua, the state counsel for the respondents. Arboro for respondent 7. As directed by this court. No, records are received. List of, as agreed to by learned counsel by parties, that this matter be listed for hearing on 6/10/2026. The learned counsel, but the state council to retain the record.
Deeply already.
Let's be the problem with access. Lordship.
Yes.
I have some submission, Lordship. Mr. T.C. Sutia, who is the additional senior, he's taking care of the matter on behalf of the government, Lordship.
Last time also, that's the same submission.
No, he has some, actually, he has some personal difficulty, Lordship. Actually, Lordship, that difficulty I cannot mention to the Lordship for the court. Some personal difficulty he has. He may kindly take up the matter after 1 week, Lordship.
My lord, he has been terminated. Petitioner.
No, I am ready. We have, today I have had enough time.
Your
Your colleague has,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, every day they take this or that trial.
anyway,
To
it's a
take time, my lord.
2026 matter.
My lord,
It's 2026 matter.
but his co-accused are being reinstated back, and I have been terminated, my lord. That is my grievance.
Because you have committed more grievous offense than your
same
co-accused.
FIR, same FIR, my lord. Same FIR, same allegation, same so-called.
But the participation or the gravity of offense.
Yes.
And the
But that is yet to be proved, my lord, in the
there
trial
could
court.
be a,
My trial court case is pending, my lord. They have dismissed me, my lord.
there cannot be a parity of participation.
No, but there will be a parity of punishment, my lord. Parity of punishment.
But parity of participation cannot
Yes,
be there. Okay. And Mr. S.P. Das, learned counsel for the petition.
Lord, kindly record the name of my colleague, my lord. Her name, my lord.
And also We'll say assistant.
Madam, madam. Not
We'll,
assistant,
we'll
madam.
say
No,
assistant.
I'm not senior.
And then
And madam.
MS,
I'll give that name, madam.
MS.
Tell your name.
No, you will have to give. As well as Mr. No, please stop. Mr.
Sir, Lordship, TC Sutia's name.
TC, yes.
TK. Cause this, madam.
TK,
TC Sutia, Lordship.
TK Sharma Barua. CKS Barua, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. TC Chutia, learned counsel for the learned additional senior government advocate. Why he will be appearing?
He'll be conducting the matter.
Who has been entrusted with the matter has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, praise for listing of the matter after a week.
Picture date, madam.
Is agreed to by parties. Let this matter be listed after a week on termination. After 1 week.
Name of Mr. TC Sutia may be shown in the causes, madam. Yes.
Why TC Sutia? They'll take care of it.
No,
Say
TC
against the
Sutia,
government
but,
only,
TC Sutia
against the state only.
But TC Sutia will conduct this case, madam, as per his instruction, madam.
No, that will be their arrangement. It's a GA, what is this? What do you call? GA Assam is there. It's
Yes,
modern enough.
otherwise, Lordship, he was being, he's entrusted, madam. He's, Lordship, he's taking care of them.
He has a serious problem today. Serious difficulty
Yes,
today.
it can be said a serious problem. Lordship.
Okay.
Serious problem.
Personal
Problem. His name may be showing the causes, madam.
We wish.
He's exclusively taking care of the matter. That's why, Lordship.
Yes. We pray and hope that
Yes. That problem
he
gets
should come out immediately
The Lordship,
from any hardship or whatever difficulty.
Lordship.
All right. Okay. You give that in after 1 week. 25th.
But earlier, on the past order, my lord, this case was supposed to be disposed of at an early date. But by
It's all right. We have seen.
But last order, my lord, it's on
Sir,
hearing.
we cannot give you a preference. It's 2020,
Lordship may kindly peruse the past order.
25 matter, right?
Yes, my lord.
No,
Past order is there, my lord.
26 matter.
26 matter. No, my lord, 26 is matter on the.
Thank you, sir. Rather, we have given you subconsciously given you preference than the other cases. Anyway, last we'll take it about 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Yes.
Lordship,
She cannot be accommodated in any nearby stations?
nearby would be difficult, Manoj, and
Why?
would be difficult, Manoj, because we have that instruction I had taken earlier. And it was communicated that it would be difficult. I mean, the Gauhati area, Gauhati zone as such, she has spent considerable time. Golaghat actually happens to be her original home district prior to marriage. And initially, when she joined the bank, she was in Golaghat. So as such, Golaghat perhaps is not a new region for her or unknown region.
Yes.
And this writ petition was filed in the month of October of 25. Now we are in August. More or less, almost 10 months have passed since the transfer was stayed by this honorable court. In view of all these facts, perhaps now it is time that
She should move.
she should move. No, because that flexibility, perhaps because the difficulty now is that perhaps even in Golaghat there might be a problem because of the changed circumstances. Because now almost we are at 9 months or 10 months since the transfer order was issued and stayed. Therefore, or the alternative could be that your lordship may perhaps direct the bank to take a decision to post her into an adjacent district by the next 15 days or so. That perhaps may dispose of the matter.
Yes.
That will be better.
There's no ground.
Lordship,
There's no ground.
there is ground, Lordship.
No.
Can I?
You are go.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, basically the order has been issued in violation of the transfer policy. Let us come to Lordship page number 42.
42, yes.
Point number 4.
Yes. Yes.
Female officers employed shall be tried to transfer as far as possible to the nearby places, stations, region in case of their transfer to a place where their husband, parents are stationed or as near to, as possible to that place. So in fact, Lordship,
Based on the availability of vacancy and administrative convenience, however, this will not be applicable on promotion. As
Lordship,
far as possible,
yes, Lordship.
it's not mandatory.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
If we Lordship see this honorable court order dated 29/10/2025.
Yes.
However, on the question of whether the petitioner can be accommodated in nearby station as per the clause 4 of the transfer policy and guidelines under the heading Common Guidelines of Transfer, the learned standing counsel submits that he would like to obtain his instruction. But there are 2 affidavits have been filed.
There's no informative independence order. What is this?
Lordship,
Which order you are reading?
I am referring to the order dated 29/10/2020.
Yes.
Last page, Lordship. Second para. However, on the question of whether the petitioner can be accommodated in nearby station, as per the clause 4 of the transfer policy and guidelines under the heading Common Guidelines of Transfer, the learning standing counsel submits that he would like to obtain his instruction. Thereafter, 2 affidavits have been filed by the respondent bank, but in none of the affidavit, this particular point has been covered. My second point is, Lordship, kindly look at Lordship page number 43. The order is illegal. That is what I want to say. Page number 43. Point number 2. No officer shall remain posted in the same capacity position for more than 3 years. Normally, officer will not be rotated, transfer before the completion of 1 year. So at the present place of posting, I had joined on 6/5/2015 and the impugned order was issued on.
You said you joined?
On 6/5/25, sorry, 6/5/25. But the impugned order was issued on page number 21.
Impugned order
was issued on 15/10/2025. That is, I have not completed
15/10/2025.
That I have not
you
completed.
Have joined?
Lordship.
Join on
15/10/2025.
You have joined?
I have joined on 6/5/2025. Sorry, 26.
26?
Yes.
25?
Oh, sorry, 26.
From where to where?
So, at that point
This
of time.
order is page 21.
Yes.
Page 21.
Page 21.
Where's the order?
Page 21 is the order. Date above is 15/10/2025. Annexure 6.
Yes, you should have been annexed. You are?
I am Sarmista Bora at serial number 4.
This order is 15/10. Serial number 4. Assistant Manager. Ganakpukuri Branch. Golaghat.
Golaghat, Lordship.
Yes.
So here also the bank has committed.
Join when?
I have joined on 6/5/25.
From where?
From Gauhati branch of this region. Then third point is also there that.
No, from where to where did you join? When did you join? From where to where?
I have joined from Gauhati branch to Gauhati regional office.
Huh? Where is that?
The transfer order is
Earlier transfer order,
Earlier transfer order is
posting, release order,
last
where it is?
page 17, Lordship.
This is what? Internal promotion from office assistant. Where is this? You have been promoted from office assistant to officer. What is this?
That is next 18.
Page 16 is what?
Page 18, transfer posting order number 05/2025-26. It is
Page 16 is what?
page 16, Lordship. This is, I have been promoted on that date. After promotion, I have been transferred to Gauhati
Yes,
region.
promoted on 2029/05/2020.
Yes, sir.
Age what?
I have been promoted on 29/5/2020
Age what?
as page 16.
Which post?
Assistant manager.
Post is there, my lord.
Assistant
Officer JMG scale 1. Page 16.
Officer JMG skill 1.
Yes.
It doesn't say. That's why I'm asking. JMG means what?
Junior management grade. It is called assistant manager also in the bank.
Doesn't show that. That's why I'm asking. Then page 17.
Page 17 is Lordship. After I have been promoted, I have transferred from, at that point of time, I was working in Narikalguri branch as a clerk.
Gauhati only?
No, it's Golaghat.
Golaghat, huh? Then you are posted to?
Gauhati branch.
On?
Under Gauhati region.
On?
On 7/8/2022, the release order was that I have joined on 10/8/2020. I have joined on 10/8/2020.
Release order on release,
7/8/20.
10/8/2020.
Joined on 10/8/20.
At Gauhati.
At Gauhati branch under Gauhati region.
Gauhati branch. Under Gauhati region. Huh?
Yes. Lordship.
Then transfer posting.
Then again, I have been transferred from Gauhati branch to Gauhati regional office. There are two separate offices. Gauhati branch is separate office. Gauhati regional office is separate.
05/05/2025.
And I have joined on 6/5/25.
6/5/25.
25.
From where to where? It depends on posting instruction. You are released from Golaghat branch today on 5/5 to 8 p.m. Where it is?
Lordship. So, Lordship.
It doesn't in the page 18 is what? From
Page 18 is Lordship. This is the transfer order, release order from Gauhati branch to Gauhati regional office. Gauhati branch and Gauhati regional office, both we are within the Gauhati region.
From Gauhati
branch to Gauhati regional office.
How far it is?
It is not far off. It is 4-5 kilometers, 3-4 kilometers.
Therefore, since you are 2020, you are here only.
Let me come to third point, Lordship.
Yes.
Now, Lordship, I have not completed in the present assignment 1 year, which is mandatory as per policy. Next point, Lordship.
Policy, what does it say?
Policy says
officers shall remain posted in the same capacity position for more than 3 years. Normally, officer will not be rotated, transferred before completion of 1 year. It's within Gauhati only.
Yes, yes. So now I have been transferred to outside Gauhati. That is the grievances. My grievances is there.
No, see, you have been posted here in 2020.
Yes, Lordship.
Then you have been again transferred from regional office, the branch to regional office.
Yes,
same Gauhati.
Lordship.
5 years.
No.
In Gauhati.
No, but the question is that in one station.
Then next
point is, Lordship, point number 6 of the page 43.
After posting
After
two
posting
tenure,
two tenure, that is 6 years in one region, officer will be transferred to other region. Head office will be considered as a region for this purpose. However, if an officer is not posted in home region or adjacent to home region for 6 years, the officer shall be posted to his or home region or nearby region as far as possible. Here also, Lordship, I have joined in on at Gauhati region as I was posted at Gauhati branch. So I have joined at Gauhati branch on 10/8/2020. So I have not completed 6 years in the region, so it does not invite a transfer. Lordship, in this regard, I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Court, the specific guidelines or instruction from the Government of India in page number 72.
the Government of India doesn't apply.
Yes, Lordship.
It's not apply.
Yes, Lordship. Government of India has.
It's not apply. It's this, you have your guidelines, separate guideline.
That is based on the Government of India guidelines, Lordship.
Huh?
That is based on the Government of
How do
India
you say?
guidelines. It-
Transfer Policy of Assam Gramin Vikas Bank.
Yes, Lordship.
In line of, what is this?
In line of DFS letter number so and so,
What is DFS letter?
Department of Financial Services, Government of India. Lordship, may kindly have a look at page 72.
72 is what? Your reply.
Page 72 of my reply. This is the Government of India. It starts from 69.
Whether this is apply or not?
Yes, it is applied. I come to that point, Lordship.
You come directly, transfer method, nothing.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
Page
The last
72,
para, the last para 72 is important, Lordship. 72, page number 72. Point number 3.
All Arabia.
All RRBs. RRBs means regional rural banks. Assam Gramin Bank is also a regional rural bank.
Are advised to
put in place a transfer policy duly approved by their board of directors.
Principle guided in a non-discriminatory manner, ensure compliance thereof. RRBs are also advised to send a copy of. Yes, then.
Then, Lordship, let us come to page number 39.
39 is what? For what?
Transfer policy of Assam Gramin Bank. Objective point number 4.
To comply DFS with the
Comply with DFS, NABARD and other.
It's okay.
Achha.
So
then, Lordship.
Are you challenging this guideline?
No, I am not challenging this.
Then
I have challenging the violation that has been made. Due to the violation, I have been prejudiced.
Okay.
That is the point, Lordship.
Okay.
Then below 4, transfer exercise will be transparent. Rotational transfer shall be on seniority basis and based on administrative convenience. Exception, if any, shall be properly recorded. Here, I have mentioned, Lordship, 3 illegalities that has committed as in respect of the transfer policy. Bank has a right to go for deviation, but that ought to be recorded properly. But in the instant case that has done, no deviation has been properly recorded. Why the deviation has taken place?
There is no deviation.
There is deviation, Lordship.
There is no.
Of course, there is deviation.
There
Lordship.
is no.
I have been.
Yes, that's all. Then.
Lordship, I have only one more point, Lordship. Only one more point. There are conflict of interest because the transfer order, the officer who has issued the transfer order, when I have submitted the grievance, my grievance has also been redressed in negative by the same authority.
Obviously, is he a competent authority, competent to transfer you?
But there is a conflict of interest, Lordship.
No, whether he's a competent authority.
There are two, another general manager also.
No, it's not a question of general. Whether there is a person who has issued the transfer is a competent.
Yes, a competent.
Then where's the question of conflict?
No, but the redressal of the grievances.
See, the transferring authority, the officer who is competent, affidavit, representation has to be filed before him.
It has
There's
been
no
filed.
question of.
It has been filed.
He has
it has
to
not
consider.
There is a grievance redressal committee as per policy. I have
filed my representation before the grievance redressal committee.
Hmm.
That has not been disposed of. But when affidavit comes, then we got to know that my representation was disposed of by the same authority who has issued the
It's okay.
transfer order. So there is apparently a conflict of interest.
Yes, that's all.
We have many points, Lordship.
What many points? Transfer method, nothing. You have been allowed for 10 months, more than enough. Go. All right.
Lordship, he has given an option, Lordship, to nearby district that can be done. If it is.
Yes, heard.
Arkeson.
Yes.
Lord, we have placed on record, my lord, the entire decision. This transfer order was not peculiar to her, my lord. It was a general transfer order transferring several officers. We have noted that the head office region, the Gauhati region, has a surplus of officers. We have more officers than we need. Everybody, my lord, naturally wants to stay in Gauhati only. There's no problem. But we have also annexed the personal record of the petitioner. He belongs to the Golaghat region. She initially joined in Golaghat. For a long time, she was in Golaghat. She has experience of that area. We have also annexed the document showing that, well, there is a gross shortage of manpower in the Golaghat area. He has not been posted in any other district. First Golaghat, then Gauhati. And now we want to take her from Gauhati to Golaghat back. That is the only reason. Because, well, we are a rural bank. Though we have a very large network, but we are basically rural bank. So, well, she has experience of that area. She is a native of that area. And there is nothing arbitrariness because the transfer orders we have said we have transferred other ladies also, lady officers, and it's a settled law unless a transfer policy has statutory flavor. So this is not a statutory. There is no state right.
Where you have stated all this, Pera?
Lord,
Your
if I may
affidavit, you
just say,
point out, huh?
if I may just point out the affidavit in opposition which starts at page 45. We have said in page 47, we have given the entire details.
Entire detail is not.
Yes, 6, 7, 8, all details were given. And specifically, my lord, if I may refer to para 11 at page 49. Then we have said that place where she has been transferred, but it's a short distance from the Golaghat main township area. It's not a remote area or anything like that.
That's all.
Lordship, can I?
It's okay, nothing.
Lordship, only one point, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly have a look at page number 55. Annexure A.
What is this?
When I represented before the grievance redressal committee, I have specifically stated that my permanent residence is at Panjabari now of Gauhati. That is recorded in the banks. So no, I am no longer at Golaghat. My residence is no longer. I am not a.
It's okay. Not necessary.
Then, Lordship.
Not necessary. You should be at Golaghat.
No. Next, Lordship. Two orders have been passed by this honorable court, asking the respondent bank why the that means to show the reasons as to why the policy of transfer, more particularly in respect of female officer, could not be adhered to in the facts of the case. They have not come out with any plausible explanation in their affidavit.
Okay.
And in fact, on this ground alone, the requisition is to be allowed, Lordship.
Yes.
Lord, we have given the specific response in the second affidavit that we have filed, page 73 onwards. That there is a gross shortage of manpower in the Golaghat region. In fact, Golaghat region happens to have the highest shortage region of all our regions. Well, one judgment I would just like to hand over to the division bench.
Heard Mr.
R.K. Sharma.
R.K.
Sharma.
R.K.
Sharma.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. A. Ganguly, learned steering counsel. Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, for respondent number. All the respondents.
For all the respondents.
For respondents. For all the respondents. Next para, by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has put to challenge the page 21,
Page 21 was.
transfer and posting order dated 15/10/2025 issued by the General Manager, Assam Gramin Bank, Vikas Bank, whereby as many as 5 officers have been transferred to 5 officers, including the petitioner, have been transferred to different places of posting, in which the petitioner, please stop. The petitioner has been transferred from regional office Gauhati to Ganakpukuri branch, Galagat, as assistant manager. List of the petitioner was appointed as office assistant within bracket M bracket close in the year 2013 and was posted at Golagan branch. Thereafter, to Nari Kalguri branch under Golagat regional office. List of assistant manager of the Assam Rural. What do you call it? Assam Rural? Assam Gramin
Assam Gramin
Vikas Bank, huh?
Now Assam Gramin Bank.
The petitioner was promoted to the post of officer JMG Scale 1 by an order dated 29/05/2020 within bracket assistant manager, right? Assistant manager. List of on her promotion, she was posted at Gauhati branch and joined on 10/08/2020 at Gauhati. Gauhati branch. Then you were transferred to
Gauhati Regional Office.
list of. From Gauhati branch, the petitioner was transferred to Gauhati Regional Office, Gauhati, on 29 by an order dated 29/04/2025, and accordingly she joined at Gauhati to Gauhati regional branch. What do you call it? Gauhati regional branch.
Gauhati Regional Office.
Branch
No, office.
or regional office. Okay, Gauhati regional office, Gauhati. Next para. The thereafter, allowing her for thereafter by the impugn order dated 15/10/2025, the petitioner is sought to be, is transferred from when the responding authorities, by the impugn order, as many as 8 officers, including petitioner, have been posted, transferred and posted to different places posting. List of the petitioner has been transferred from regional office Gauhati to Ganakpuri Pukuri branch Golaghat. List of agreed by the impute transfer order, this writ petition, and please agreed by the said transfer order, impute order, agreed by the transfer order, the petitioner, while this present petition, essentially on the ground of violation of what is that policy?
Policy is in page number 39, Lordship.
39. Transfer
It starts
policy
from 30.
Assam Gramin Vikas Bank 2005. List of next minute. Mr. R.P. Sharma.
RK.
R.K. Sharma, Land Council Padi. Take your seat. Petitioner, while referring to the transfer policy of the Assam Gramin transfer policy of the bank submits that the transfer order has been issued in violation of the guidelines, the policy list of, it refers to the clause 4 of common guidelines of transfer, wherein it is provided that the female officers, oblique employees, shall be tried to transfer as far as possible to the nearby places, oblique station, oblique regions, in case of their transfer to a place where the husbands, oblique parents are stationed, or as near as possible to that place, based on availability of vacancy and administrative convenience. List of he also refers to the clause 2 and 6 of transfer rules of officers under the policy, transfer policy, wherein it is provided that no officers shall remain posted in the same capacity, oblique position for more than 3 years. And normally officers will not be rotated, oblique transfer before completion of 1 year. List of after posting of 2 10-year IE, 6 years, 1 region, officer will be transferred to other region. List of head office will be considered as a reason for the purpose. However, if an officer is not posted in home region or adjacent to home region for 6 years, he or she shall be posted to his or her home region or nearby region as far as possible. And the priority shall be given based on distance of length of posting. List of, he submits that since the petitioner is a female officer, your husbands are working in Gauhati, and the husband is working at Gauhati. Working at Gauhati, the petitioner, the responsible authority ought to have considered the petitioner for transfer at least nearby Gauhati police staff. Since the petitioner has already has completed, even has not completed 1 year from the present place of posting, i.e. Gauhati Regional Office.
Gauhati Regional Office.
Gauhati Regional Office.
At that time of issuance of the order.
No, at the time of from Gauhati branch, at the time of issuance of transfer order, comma, the transfer of the transfer of the petitioner is in violation of aforementioned clause 2, as she is sought to be transferred before completion of 1 year. 1 year, right?
Yes.
He further submits that since the petitioner has not completed 6 years in a particular region, as she ought not to have been transferred to she ought not to have been transferred other region, as she was posted in the year 2020 from Golaghat to Gauhati. List of next para. Mr. Sharma, learned counsel, further submits that since the reputation has been placed, since the petitioner has submitted her representation for consideration of her grievance before the redressal.
Redressal, in fact, we have not been communicated. Later on in the affidavit, we have got to know that our grievance has been redressed in negative, that has not been considered.
No.
In fact, that has not been communicated. We have made
It's
a
okay.
specific statement also. We have not been communicated.
Submits that, huh? You have filed the representation
We have
before
filed
the
the
redressal
representation.
committee.
Grievance redressal committee.
What is that? Where is your representation?
Yes, Lordship.
Page?
Lordship. 30,
30?
32 and 33, Lordship.
General manager.
Next is 33 grievance redressal cell.
And submits that petitioner has submitted her representation for consideration. Reconsideration of her transfer from Gauhati to Golaghat before the general manager, Assam Gramin, before the general manager, as well as the grievance redressal cell. However, the representation appears to have been considered and rejected by the general manager, who is not a competent authority to consider the representation, in view of the fact that the grievances of the petition has to be considered by the grievance redressal cell. Where is it? Where it is?
It is in head office, Lordship.
No, where it is there? Where is the provision that it should be?
Yes, Lordship.
In the
In the,
policy?
in the transfer policy, Lordship,
Yes, so
page number 40,
40.
second paragraph.
If any member is having any grievance due to transfer, he or she can appeal to the grievances within 7 days of transfer. The committee must dispose of the appeal within 15 days. When the order was passed?
Order,
15. Okay. In terms of that, continue in terms of the transport policy. Huh? Mr. Next paragraph. On the other hand, Mr. A. Ganguly, the standing counsel for the respondent bank. Where do you get the relevant paragraph?
Not, paragraph 6 is at page 47.
Take paragraph 6. Huh?
And in the same affidavit, we also annexed the copy, the
No,
petition
then
of the GRC.
Paragraph 6, then
Para 6, my lord, and para 11.
paragraph 8 also, huh?
Para 6,
And paragraph 11.
11 and 14 also. The
14.
reasons as to why the
8.
transfer. Yes.
8,
Para 6, 8, 11.
6, 8,
11 and 14.
11, 14. Huh? I've considered the submissions of learned counsel. In support of this submission, Mr. A. Ganguly, learned counsel for the petitioner, learned standing counsel, has placed reliance on the judgment of this, the judgment of this court. It's not reported
No, my lord, I tried to find whether it was, but
in WPC. What is this writ appeal?
yes, it will, by the division bench. Where all the relevant and recent judgments, my lord, that time, the Supreme Court also have been.
And in the case of Sri Jagdish Burman, no, the Central Board of Secondary Education and others versus Sri Jagdish Burman and others. This is WA or writ petition?
The writ appeal against the order of the learned single judge.
What does it say? What is the number?
There should be another copy in the. I've looked up at the other BRs. Other BRs.
Writ appeal. Writ appeal number is not there. Writ petition is mentioned.
Yes, of
Anyway, you find out the number of writ appeal number.
I'll give the number.
Next para. I have considered the submissions of learned counsel for the parties and also perused the material available on record, including the transport policy of the Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, Gramin Vikas Bank. The petitioner, no, as reflected, comma, the petitioner who was initially entered the service of the bank as what assistant?
Office assistant multipurpose.
Huh?
Office assistant multipurpose.
Office assistant
Bracket,
within
multipurpose.
bracket M multipurpose, huh? In the year 2023
201.
was 2013, sorry, 2013 was elevated on promotion to the post of officer JMG scale -1, Roman 1, para 4 you see. Within bracket, assistant manager. by an order dated 29/05/2020. Please stop. On such promotion, she was transferred from Golaghat what? Regional
Narikuli branch of Golaghat region. Narikolguri branch of Golaghat region.
Narikolguri branch of Golaghat region to Gauhati. Pursuant thereto, the petitioner joined her service on 10/8/2020 at Gauhati branch. Please stop. Please stop. Thereafter, the petitioner was transferred to transferred from Gauhati branch to Gauhati regional office by an order dated 29/04/2025. And accordingly, she joined on 05/05/2025 at Gauhati regional office. 05/05/2025, you have joined?
Not on 6/5/2025.
Or 06/05/2025. Mr. While serving at Gauhati regional branch, Gauhati regional office, by an order dated 15/10/2025. By a common order of transfer, the petitioner, including 7 others, officers, have been transferred to various places of posting, wherein the petitioner is transferred from Gauhati regional office to Golaghat region. Golaghat branch or what?
No, Golaghat.
Sorry, this is something, from to
Ganapukuri branch.
Ganapukuri branch, Golaghat region. Right?
Good.
This stuff. Next para. The essentially the petitioner challenges the challenges the order of transfer dated 15/10/2025 on the ground of violation of the transfer guidelines regulating the transfer and posting of the transfer guideline of Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, which regulates the transfer and posting of officers, employees of the bank. List of the transfer policy has been framed by the bank pursuant in line with the DFS a letter dated 20/02/2025. Where is that? Where is that DFS letter?
DFS letter is, Lordship, at page number
72.
69 to 72. 69 to 72.
Issued by the Undersecretary of the Government of India. Which department?
Department of Finance.
Ministry of Finance, Department of Financial Services. List of perusal of the transfer policy of the bank inter alia reflects as under. page 42, column 4, clause 4, page 42. As regarding common guidelines of transfer, and clause 3 and 6 of transfer rules of officers. This stuff. No, not perusal. Before the division, the transfer policy inter alia provides as under. Next page. Reading of the aforesaid provisions of the transfer policy reflects that so and so is female transfer so and so, and then the clause 2 and 6 is added there. List of. It is no doubt the authorities, public, the employer normally has to adhere to the policy of their transfer policy, as and when the transfer and posting is affected to the employees of the officers, list of comma, and please at the same time the administrative exigencies and the public interest cannot be brushed aside. Please stop. It is the employer, public authority is the best person to understand the requirement of its employees to whom and where the employees or officers are to be posted, taking into account of the administrative exigencies and public interest. List of. As recorded above, the petitioner was transferred from Golaghat region to Gauhati region in the year 2020, although at Gauhati branch, and shifted, public transfer and shifted to, transfer and posted to Gauhati regional office, which is within the Gauhati city itself, who have served for 5 years.
Yes.
Who have served
5 years, 2 months, 5 years, 2
5 years. 5 years only. 5 years. List of. The petitioner, along with other officers, 7 other officers have been transferred on administrative convenience of the exigencies. Appears to have been transferred. So and so on. Please stop. No, please stop. The consideration of the petition, the consideration of the petition, the consideration in terms of the provisions referred to above under the transfer policy appears to be not mandatory. As such, consideration is seen to be as far as possible subject to the administrative convenience list of as regards the claim for transfer, the claim of the petitioner that she had been transferred before completion of 1 year, it is reflected, it is clearly reflected that the petitioner has been allowed to serve at Gauhati for 5 years, although she has been shifted, she has been transferred from the branch office to regional office, which is within the, which is within the Gauhati itself. Therefore, the claim for transfer before completion of 1 year cannot be countenanced. List of. As regards the posting of tenure of 6 years in one region, same would not be considered to be mandatory for the simple reason that the respondent, for the simple reason the authorities has the power and authority to transfer its employees, taking into consideration of the administrative convenience and exigencies. Therefore, as a matter of right, the provisions laid down in the transfer policy cannot be claimed. List of. It is well settled. Next para, position of law that an employee cannot claim placement at a particular place of posting as a matter of right, and the administrative circulars or guidelines for that matter, the transfer policy do not confer an enforceable right, as the same are subject to, such policies are subject to administrative exigencies and public interest. The violation of transfer policy by itself is not a sufficient ground for, there's a sufficient ground to interfere with the transfer and posting order unless it is vitiated with malafide or violation of statutory provision. In the present case, there is no allegation, no plea of malafide or violation of any statutory provisions is made. But the claim, the challenge is only to the, only on violation of provisions of the transport policy, which is admittedly a guideline and not a statutory rule. List of that's all. Yeah. Next para. From the, for the, in view of the discussions made herein above, it is difficult. No, it is this court. No, I'm of the considered view that no case is made out for interference with the impure transfer order. Dated 15/10/2025. As there is no is no malafide or violation of statutory provision is made out, rather not made out, warranting interference with the transfer and posting order. List of accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed for being devoid of merit. Mr. Howard, what is that clause? Considering the clause 4 of the transfer policy 2025 of the bank, comma, the respondent authorities are not precluded. However, however, dismissal of this writ petition shall not be preclude the respondent authorities to consider the case of the petitioner, taking into account the clause 4 of the transfer policy of Assam Gramin Vikas Bank 2025. Giving a liberty, I mean, liberty to consider.
One sentence, if can kindly be added, that would be great help for us. The petitioner will apply for the reconsideration of the order, and then as per clause 4.
No, we have said so. Although this
And at one point of time, my friend has told that.
Please stop. For such consideration, the petitioner is at liberty to approach the responding authorities.
And
again.
But within a fixed time frame, Lord, otherwise.
Within a period of 10 days from today.
Lordship, last one.
No, I will not wait once we have this already dismissed.
Yes, Lordship. Last one point, Lordship. At one. Lordship, last one point, Lordship. At one point of.
Petitioner, for consideration, for such consideration, petitioner shall is at liberty to approach the respondent authorities again.
Within 7 days.
Within 10 days.
10 days.
It's up to once we have dismissed Unless he
Otherwise, you know, there might be a problem.
take it to the
She might
appeal.
not report at her posting place, you know, this.
Consequences will follow.
You know, the interim order may be vacated.
No, needless to say,
Lordship,
interim order stands vacated. Needless to say that interim order merges along with this order.
Lordship, just one point. At one point of time, my friend has told that they will consider posting to the nearby district.
So that Lordship has indicated, clause 4 indicates that.
No, I have indicated.
That is the.
Clause 4 is
Clause
one
4 is regarding that female officers should be.
taking into consider clause 4.
Clause 4.
Female.
It will liberty to approach the respondent authority, and respondent authority will favorably consider the same. Lordship.
Not favorably.
That would be great.
No,
help,
no,
Lordship.
we said already, dismissal of the writ petition shall not preclude the respondent authority to reconsider.
Reconsider what that might be included, Lordship.
Huh?
That
Lordship,
Consider, we'll say.
consider. Consider afresh, no? Consider afresh. That may
You will not say consider,
consider.
because we have been given you liberty to approach the respondent again.
No, that in fact, that judgment is a writ petition only because it arises from an order of the CAT. That is why it's a writ petition. Not
Okay,
a-
okay.
it's correct.
Writ petition.
Writ petition.
But only my my humble submission, the policy which has been
This
given
just,
by
you take some from the settled position of lawyer.
the policy.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Obliged, Lordship. Deeply obliged.